Good morning, dear learners. So, thank you, all of you. Welcome to today's session. So, today is the fifth class. So, ma'am is going to taught you the block 5. So, I do feel everybody enjoy the class. It's a real opportunity within the shutdown period. So, all are stay home. So, maybe you are feeling bored because if no work, then definitely everybody is feeling bored. So it is a one kind of engagement. So I must thanks to IGNO authority. So they had planned and organized a online counseling session to engage our learners. So it is a one kind of passing time also. I mean, teaching learning process is goes on. It's never end. So one way I can tell you, so the distance education system is, I mean, it is not believe on one-way methods. We are not believing the lecture method. Only the teacher or counselor will taught you and will listen, not like that. I mean, if it is interactive, if the students will put for their views, their ideas, is not like that. The all teacher, that doesn't mean that teacher knows everything. The students also know much more. I mean, more things than teacher. We do feel that. So this way, the teaching learning goes in the distance education system. So don't be silent spectator. I mean, if you ask more and more question, it's not a question. If any doubt, any clarification, then the class very interactive and also interesting. So the teacher will also motivate it. If the student will put more question, then student will, I mean, teacher will rejuvenate, and he will go through much and much material or much and much reference books. So no doubt it's a very critical juncture. The corona is spreading like anything. So I just pray to God, stay safe, stay home. I mean, stay healthy. With these words, so I welcome to Sucheta ma'am for his, I mean, nice presentation of last 4 days. I feel today also it will continue that way. With these words, I conclude my, I mean, speech, and I welcome once again to ma'am and our students. So it will continue. Thank you, ma'am. I welcome today's session, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. It's really a very good opportunity for all of us, not only for the learners, but also for me too. So, as an academic counselor, I feel really very happy to get such type of platform to put my knowledge over here and to share the information to for my learners, all those things. So, right now we will at block 5 of ESO 11. Uh, Today we will discuss about in block 5 the political processes. We will discuss on political processes. This unit in political process we have again 4 units or 5 units. In first unit that is based on the stateless society. We'll focus on what is the stateless society means. So, this unit is generally concerned with the centralized authority in societies, centralized authorities in societies which lie between the two poles of stateless society and modern states with government and executive. Here we will focus on related to two stateless two poles. That is, one is stateless society pole, and another one is modern states, which is based upon the government and executive bodies, a political process. These societies can be called stateless society, generally called as a traditional or pre-modern society. ଆମେ ଷ୍ଟେଟଲେସ୍ ସୋସାଇଟି କଥା ଯଦି ଏଠି ଆସୁଛି ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ ଏଠି ଜାଣିବା ଯେ ଏଇ ସୋସାଇଟିକୁ ହିଁ ବେସ୍ କରାଯାଉଛି ଆଜ୍ ଅ ଟ୍ରାଡିସନାଲ ଅର୍ ପ୍ରି ମଡର୍ଣ୍ଣ ସୋସାଇଟି ବିକଜ କାହିଁକି ନା ଦେ ଲ୍ୟାକ୍ ଡେଭଲପ୍ଡ ଫର୍ମସ୍ ଅଫ୍ ପଲିଟିକାଲ ଇନଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁସନ୍ସ generally the stateless society କହିଲେ ଆମେ କ'ଣ ବୁଝୁଛୁ ନା they lacks the political developmental tools and technologies and methods which we are in our modern day society. So it is generally the developed tools and technologies of politics mostly found in modern nation states. In traditional or pre-modern societies, we find different kinds of political structures, and that different kind of political structures particularly based on a permanent political structure. Permanent political structure କହିଲେ କ'ଣ ବୁଝୁଛୁ ଆମେ ନା it is clearly dominated by religion and kinship. Political structure टा काहा को को जिनसटा को एठी बेसी डोमिनेट करूची बोली काहा द्वारा डोमिनेट होची ना क्लियरली इट इज डोमिनेटेड बाय रिलीजन एंड किनशिप द्वारा और रिलीजन बेसिस रे ही प्री मॉडर्न बा स्टेटलेस सोसाइटी टा कंट्रोल करा जाउतला बा पॉलिटिकल स्ट्रक्चर टा तार बेस करूतला काहा को नै कि रिलीजन को नै कि आ किनशिप को नै कि जहा कि गोटे परमानेंट पॉलिटिकल स्ट्रक्चर हिसाब रे प्री मॉडर्न सोसाइटी रे तार पॉलिटिक्स रो प्रोसेसेस टा आम पाखरे आमे जानुथुलु सो with this brief analysis of this particular unit, we'll look into the base of authority. We'll definitely focus on the authoritical base, and finally we'll discuss the different obstacles which are usually exercised upon the political authority. What are the obstacles also the stateless societies are faced with the process of kinship and religious political process. तो आमे पिले जानिछु आमे तले प्रोसेसेस कथा एटी कहूछु वी हैव सो मेनी प्रोसेसेस इन सोसाइटी लाइक द इकोनॉमिक प्रोसेस रिलीजियस प्रोसेस एजुकेशनल प्रोसेस political process is also one of them so we can't ignore the political process आमे political process को भी ignore करि परिबा नाही किंतु आमे एठी डिवीजन करिछु जे ट्रेडिशनल सोसाइटी रो पॉलिटिकल प्रोसेस टा केमति थिला हमको जानिया पड़िबो प्री मॉडर्न सोसाइटी रो पॉलिटिकल प्रोसेस केमति थिला ताकू जानिया पड़िबो then again we will focus on the modern political process. So in contrast to modern democratic and totalitarian state आमे जदी देखिबा ट्रेडिशनल सोसाइटी रे कोन होची ना in contrast to the modern societies the primitive stateless societies are generally focused by the traditions and shaped by the political thoughts which are combined with which are compounded by जोटा की combined with the help of religion and kinship. So it is generally आमे आपको कहूचो जे by acquiring an understanding of these traditions it is possible to follow the complex political institutions of modern states. Again आमे modern states रो भी political institutions गुडा को भी एठी one by one analysis करबा को अछि. In this unit we generally focused upon the political backgrounds of different societies. We can also focus the political authoritical background, we'll focus the types of political authority, all those things we will one by one we will discuss. The first आमे देखिबा एठी the nature and scope of political authority. First thing आमे देखिबा what are the nature and scope of political authority in stateless society. So in stateless society, it is natural. The nature and scope of political authority generally be very large extent. Eta nihati bhavre gote large extent parjanta heithiba. The fact of centralization of political authority is always a matter of degree. Jemti ki ame ethi dekhuchu the centralized principles and the states with the political heads which may exist independent of each other and form a part of feudal system. So एठी जो गोटे सेंट्रल अथॉरिटी कथा कह जाउची दैट अथॉरिटी इज बेस्ड अपॉन ए सेंट्रल अथॉरिटी रे कोन लेट अस फोकस ऑन वन बाय वन व्हाट इज दोस सेंट्रल अथॉरिटी टाइपोलॉजी. सो सेंट्रल अथॉरिटी रो टाइपोलॉजी टा कोन हमें फर्स्ट देखिबा. So first typology mention होची chief authority as a titular head. ता माने कोन ना by acknowledging a more centralized concentration. जेते बेले हमें गोट centralized authority कहले कोन बुझुछु जे कि समस्तन को गोटी अथॉरिटी ही कंट्रोल करूतबो. तो एठी कहूछु गोटे हेड by acknowledging a more centralized concentration of power to a chief or a head. जहाँ एटा जनरली और ट्राइबल ग्रुप मानक क्षेत्र रे हमें एठी ए जो अथॉरिटी टा देखिबा पई पाऊ. इट मे अचीव ग्रेटर प्रोडक्टिविटी विदाउट चेंजिंग इट्स टेक्नोलॉजी. तो टेक्नोलॉजी को चेंज करिबा न करी के केमिति हेड बा अथॉरिटी माने तांकर सेंट्रल चीफ अथॉरिटी टा को मेंटेन करूतले. इट इज ओनली फाउंड ट्राइबल सोसाइटी. हेलो 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 सर आपणकर जो इग्नोर माने टिके फोन करूचंती मझिरे से क्लास पाई कि ऐड करो
कौन
कोन
बोले
करो
मैडम?
से खाली बारंबार फोन करूचंती सर
मैडम
आपण काइंडली टिके ग्रुप रे मेसेज कर पिला माने
कौन?
इग्नोर पिला माने बारंबार फोन करूचंती तो एती माने क्लास नंबर
ओके
करछंती
ओके ओके ओके
आपणकर पिला माने फोन करूचंती आपण ग्रुप रे मेसेज कर दियंतु जे क्लास स्टार्ट हे
कर
गलाडी
दो कर दो।
थैंक यू
ओके
अच्छा आम एठी जो चीफ अथॉरिटी कथा कहूचु चीफ अथॉरिटी इट मे स्टिल मेंटेन इट्स सेगमेंटरी सोशल स्ट्रक्चर एंड एक्वायर ए पॉलिटिकल हेड टू एक्सप्रेस द ग्रुप्स यूनिटी एंड आइडेंटिटी एटा ग्रुप रो यूनिटी और आइडेंटिटी टाको मेंटेन करबा पई गोटे चीफ अथॉरिटी थांदी और he may be only a symbol representing the entire group से entire group रो से symbolize करंदी बा head हिसाब रे तांको निया जाय so that political implications of even a titular or symbolic authority जो मु लेखिली chief authority as a titular head that means a symbolic authority that symbolizes that particular head is signified as a member of that as a head of that total group से टोटल ग्रुप रो हेड हिसाब रे तांको जस्टिफाई बा सिग्निफाई करि जाइतबारु एठी फर्स्ट कैटेगरी रे आसुची चीफ अथॉरिटी एज अ टिटुलर head so this is first category second category is based on secular authority endowed with sacredness secular authority ta sacredness ru kemti ase seita authority that is also one pattern of authority so that potential of symbolic head being invested with real political authority the secular authority of a king is also generally endowed with the era of sacredness sacredness ru jo authority asithanti jemti ki ethi ame likhuchu the rajas not only ruled over their kingdom semane khali takar kingdom ku rule karu nathile on behalf of the presiding deities they imbibed in their social being the sacredness of the deity almost all over the world most monarchies reflect this tendency बहुत simple society रा stateless society रा बहुत monarchy गुड़ा बेस करूथिला कहा परे ना secular authority endowed with sacredness उपरे myths of this divine origin of ruling families justify the ruler's claim to exercise political authority then in my third category I have mentioned here the necessity of acquiring a king third category asuchi tamara necessity of acquiring a king which is also one type of authority pattern in a stateless society here the secular authority is ceremonially ritualized in order to raise the status above the ordinary people in some cases the need to acquire a king of the appropriate status is so strong that persons of royal origin are stolen and reared to become rulers so rulers जो राजांकर जो शासन necessity of acquiring a king एठी हमें से king बा राजा राजांकर शासन समय कोन करा जाउतला सेटा देखुछु so it is basically the Bhuiya tribals of Keonjhar in Odisha एटा गोटे ओडिसा रो एग्जांपल दिया है जेठी necessity of acquiring a king रे Bhuiya tribals of Keonjhar district रो ओडिसा रो so successors of such kings then had enact the myth of origin to ritual and ceremonies ritual or ceremonies basis रे ही तांकर necessity acquiring a king रो जो authority टा पाई थांती the secular authority ताको generally
Ma'am, we are not understanding.
fourth category mention about the territory and demography in relation to the range of political authority so both the territory and people are basic components of the nature of political authority the area in which the residents acknowledge the power of a king defines the range of his political authority the territorial aspect of a chief's power demarcates the geographical limits of his administration administrative and judicial measures. तो एतक जिनस टेरिटोरियल रेफरेंस को लेकी जियोग्राफिकल रेफरेंस को लेकी डेमोग्राफिकल रेफरेंस को लेकी पॉलिटिकल अथॉरिटी टा केमते वेरी करूची बट डेमोग्राफी हिसाब रे डेमोग्राफी कहले हमें कोन बुझुछु द साइज ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन को लेकी एरिया जो एरिया रे हमें रहूछु जियोग्राफिकल लोकेशन ताकू लेकी पॉलिटिकल अथॉरिटी टार चीफ रो पावर डिमार्केट करे बा चीफ रो पावर टा बा हेड रो पावर टा वेरी करे one authority to another authority तो एटा vary करूची बोली कहा जाउची. In my last category, I have mentioned the economy and centralization of a polity. Economy and centralization of a polity कौन पिले? ना research findings on a tribal politics. मु starting रो कहली stateless society कथा हमें जेते पढुछु. In general, we will focus on simple society and simple society रे base करूछु हमारा primitive but tribal society को हमें अधिक एटी importance दोछु. So economy और centralization of a polity कथा जेतेबेले उठुची research findings on tribal politics and state systems in India point to an important link between the levels of surplus growth and development of a centralized polity. So centralized polity टाको develop करिबा पई कि को जिनसर आवश्यकता रहिची एठी इकोनॉमी ही डिसाइड करूची अर्थनीति आ तमर सेंट्रलाइजेशन ऑफ पॉलिटी दीटा जिनस को नेकी अथॉरिटी टा फाइंड आउट करा जायची जोथरे कि कोन देखा जाउची ना द लार्जर सरप्लस द मोर डेवलप्ड वाज द स्टेट जो कि सरप्लस अधिक अछि लार्जर सरप्लस सेठी डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द स्टेट इज वेरी मच माने मच मोर हायर बा अधिक होय बोली एठी केस रो देखा जाउची. तापर हमें एतिक जिंस जानला परे हमें जानिलु जे अथॉरिटी रो टाइपोलॉजी टा 5 टाइप्स रे एठी हमें देखिलु स्टेटलेस सोसाइटी रो प्रथम टाइपोलॉजी तमर हिला सेक्युलर अथॉरिटी एंड सॉरी फर्स्ट टाइपोलॉजी होची तमर कोन ना चीफ अथॉरिटी एज ए टिटुलर हेड. सेकंड वन इज सेक्युलर अथॉरिटी एंडोड विथ sacredness. थर्ड वन इज necessity of acquiring a king. Fourth one is territory and demography in relation to the range of political authority. And fifth one is economy and centralization of a polity. Here we again focus on what happened. Hello.
Ma'am, please show PPT.
PPT can't show here because मोर माने देखा जाउनी अधारु कटि जाउची बुझियो छी से पय म त मो PPT
Ma'am, we are not understanding which language you are talking.
I
We
am
are not
talking
from.
I am talking in
We are
English.
not Banga.
Huh?
English.
So,
Okay.
English you will not understand English. Hello.
Ma'am, but it's not going like. It's hard to understand.
Before you come to the class, at least you should go through your study material. So it will be easier for both of us. In between one class, it's quite difficult to put you all those things. Mind it? So before you entered into the class, at least go through your ESO 11 paper. So jo, whatever study material you have, English or Odia or then again in our scope of political authority, I will mention here the extent to which a ruler exercises his authority over his people. को हिसाब रे गोटे रूलर बा गोटे तमरा हेड तार अथॉरिटी टाको केते पर्यंत परिव्याप्त करिछि सेही हिसाब रे हमें स्कोप ऑफ पॉलिटिकल अथॉरिटी टाको जस्टिफाई करबा. इट डिफाइन्स द स्कोप ऑफ हिज पॉलिटिकल पावर. तांकर पॉलिटिकल पावर रा स्कोप टा एठी दर्शौचे. सो स्कोप कहले पिले हमें कोन जानछु परिसर बा तांकर बाउंड्रीज ऑफ अथॉरिटी तांकर एरिया ऑफ अथॉरिटी काहा को सिग्निफाई करूची. It is actually the scope rather than the range of power that makes a polity more or less centralized. एटा होची गोटे कोड जे जो स्कोप ता द रेंज ऑफ पावर तांकर केते पर्यंत रेंज ऑफ पावर ता को हमें नहीं परिबा ने पॉलिटी मोर और लेस सेंट्रलाइज सेटा ज्योग्राफिकल एरिया बा टेरिटरी हिसाब रे तार अथॉरिटी रा पावर ता बा स्कोप ता बा बाउंड्रीज ता डिमार्केटेड करा जायछि. So sometimes the head of the state command only respect and recognition of his subject. In other cases, the ruler may also demand tribute or ritual acceptance of his authority from subsidiary vassals. in ଆମେ ଏଠି କ'ଣ ଦେଖିଲୁ ନା ଏ ୟୁନିଟ କହୁଛି the head of the state command only the respect and recognition of his subject ତାକୁ ଯୋଉ ହିସାବରେ କମାଣ୍ଡ ବା ଅଥରିଟି ଟା ଦିଆଯାଇଛି with regard to his respect and recognition as well as here we focused on the extent of political authority power exercised on them କୋଉ ଭଳିଆ ପଲିଟିକାଲ ଅଥରିଟିକାଲ ପାୱାର ତାଙ୍କ ଉପରେ କରାଯାଉଛି ବା କୋଉ ଭଳିଆ ପଲିଟିକାଲ ଅଥରିଟି ଆକର୍ଡିଂ ଟୁ ଦେୟାର ବାଉଣ୍ଡରୀ ଆକର୍ଡିଂ ଟୁ ଦେୟାର ଟେରିଟୋରି ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ଲେ କରିବାର ଅଛି ସେଇ ହିସାବରେ ହିଁ ତାଙ୍କ ସ୍କୋପ ଟାକୁ ଜଷ୍ଟିଫାଏ କରାଯାଉଛି ଏଠି ତ ଏଗେନ୍ ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା ଯେ ପଲିଟିକାଲ ଅଥରିଟିର ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡା ଏଠି ଆନାଲାଇଜ କଲୁ ଆମେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ଏଠି ଦେଖିବା ଯେ ଦ ବେସିସ୍ ଅଫ ଲେଜିଟିମାସି ଅଫ ପଲିଟିକାଲ ଅଥରିଟି ଲେଜିଟିମାସି ପଲିଟିକାଲ ଅଥରିଟିରେ ଲେଜିଟିମାସିର କାମ ଷ୍ଟେଟଲେସ୍ ସୋସାଇଟିରେ କ'ଣ କରାଯାଉଥିଲା in discussing such questions of the basis of political authority we study the processes of state formation to see if the state developed as an endogamous growth or came into existence as a result of an interaction with exogamous state system. This kind of inquiry generally provides us with a historical dimension. So ethnographic data shows the different state formations. So states generally focused on the different legitimacy powers state ro kono taku ame analysis kariba so prathame legitimacy ro jo jinso tamku mo ethi kohuchi je what are the legitimatical authority taro ame legitimacy dekhiba ko first we will focus on the what are the territorial background ba jaha ko ame keba stateless society ro nature বা stateless society features କ'ଣ ରହିବ undoubtedly stateless society should be bounded with a particular geographical area ଗୋଟେ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ boundary ତାର stateless society does not have any particular geographical area ଗୋଟେ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ଭୌଗୋଳିକ ସୀମା stateless society ର ନଥାଏ ଯେହେତୁ ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ boundaries ଭିତରେ ବା ଗୋଟେ areas ଭିତରେ ଆକୁ କରାଯାଇ ନଥାଏ second ଆସୁଛି stateless societies re focused only the oral traditional forms mane adhiko eti tamara written forms hisab re power ba tamara authority guda written form hisab re thiba ବ୍ୟତୀତ ଏଠି ଓରାଲ ଟ୍ରାଡିସନ ଟାକୁ ଅଧିକ ଫୋକସ କରାଯାଉଛି ବା ଓରାଲ ଟ୍ରାଡିସନାଲ ଅଥରିଟିକାଲ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପଲ୍ସ କ'ଣ ବା ଓରାଲ ଟ୍ରାଡିସନାଲ ପାୱାର ଏମ୍ଫାସାଇଜ କ'ଣ ରହିଛି ତାକୁ ଆମକୁ ଏଠି ଆନାଲିସିସ ବେଶୀ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ମିଳିଥାଏ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ହଉଛି generally the power of a stateless society ବା ସାଧାରଣ ଦେଖାଯାଏ କ'ଣ ନା ଗୋଟିଏ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିକୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଅଧିକ ପାୱାର ଦିଆଯାଏ ଯେମିତି କି ରିଲିଜିୟସ୍ ହେଲା ଇକୋନୋମିକ ହେଲା ପଲିଟିକାଲ ହେଲା ତା ଷ୍ଟେଟଲେସ୍ ସୋସାଇଟିରେ ଏମିତି ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଷ୍ଟେଟଲେସ୍ ସୋସାଇଟିରେ ଜଣେ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିର ବହୁତ ଗୁଡା ପାୱାର ତାକୁ ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଦିଆଯାଇଥାଏ ଯେମିତି କି ବହୁତ ଅଥରିଟିକାଲ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଗୋଟିଏ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡରେ ଯୋଉ ସବୁ ଯାକ ପାୱାର ଗୋଟିଏ ଜଣକ ପାଖକୁ ଆସେ କାହିଁକି ନା ଏଠି ସବୁ ଯାକ ପାୱାରର ଯୋଉ ରିଲିଜିୟସ୍ ପାୱାର ହଉ ଇକୋନୋମିକ ପାୱାର ହଉ ପଲିଟିକାଲ ପାୱାର ହଉ ସବୁ ଯାକ ଜଣକ ହାତରେ ହିଁ ଆମକୁ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ପଡିଥାଏ so in stateless society does not have any basic principles written rules and regulations and here the economic system is very simple based on a very simple form economic system ta be bahut simple form re ethi kara jai thai jothi pai stateless society re ete problematic mane rigid principles ba written forms of principles ame dekhiba pai न थाउ तो जेतेबेला हम अथॉरिटी कथा एठी कहूछु एठी फर्स्ट हमें देखिबा व्हाट आर द इंस्टीट्यूशंस टू प्रिवेंट द अब्यूज ऑफ अथॉरिटी व्हाट आर द इंस्टीट्यूशंस जोटा कि टू प्रिवेंट द अब्यूज ऑफ अथॉरिटी सो द मेंटेनेंस ऑफ किंगशिप rests on a constant adherence to its constitutional principle. A king's power may appear to be absolute, but in practice, their various components function through different offices. जदियो एठी किंग रो पावर ता देखा जाउची कोन एब्सोल्यूट किंतु प्रैक्टिकली कहिया गले तांकर वेरियस कंपोनेंट्स फंक्शन गुडा विभिन्न ऑफिस विभिन्न डिपार्टमेंट थ्रू रे करा जाए बोली कह जाउची डिपार्टमेंट कहले हमें किंग रो राजा राजत्व समय हमें कोन देखुतलु मंत्री थिले सेनापति थिले तांकर सब डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट बा डिफरेंट ग्रुपिंग हेतला तो समस्त को प्रैक्टिकली किंग्स रो जदियो सेटा सेंट्रलाइज्ड अथॉरिटी वन हैंड बोली कह जाउतला बा तार अथॉरिटी टा एब्सोल्यूट गोटिए पावर जड़क हाथ रे दिया जाउतला एब्सोल्यूट पावर किंतु फंक्शनिंग मेकानिज्म रे बा प्रैक्टिकली डिफरेंट ऑफिस थ्रू रे बा डिफरेंट कैटेगरी रे को डिवाइड करा जायतला द कोऑपरेशन ऑफ ऑल दीज पार्ट्स सब पार्ट रो कोऑपरेशन रहितला द कोऑपरेशन ऑफ ऑल दीज पार्ट्स एनेबल्स द किंग टू गवर्न हिज पीपल तांको लोक मान को गवर्न करबा पय किंग को कोऑपरेशन सब पार्ट रो मिलुतला एंड thus it is necessary to recognize that it is not easy for a ruler to disregard certain social institutions which check and control the centralized authority. This does not mean that there are no despots. In fact, history of many political systems is full of such figures. हमें जब history को जिबा history जो किंगशिप स्ट्रक्चर किंग अथॉरिटिकल स्ट्रक्चर अब पॉलिटिकल प्रोसेस हमें देखिथिलु सेठी हमें कोन एई सब सिस्टम अधिका देखिबा पई मिली थाए बा हमें हिस्टोरिकल बेस्ड जिंस उडा रे किंगशिप पैटर्न ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर बा किंगशिप पैटर्न ऑफ अथॉरिटी कोन ताको हमें अधिक एनालिसिस देखिथिलु हिस्ट्री रे all the same tendencies towards this well recognized mechanism in most traditional societies रे हमें एठी देखिबा बा सिंपल सोसाइटी बा ट्रेडिशनल सोसाइटी हमें को भलिया किंगशिप स्ट्रक्चर टाको बा अथॉरिटी रो स्ट्रक्चर टाको डिवाइड करिछु वन बाय वन हमें गोटे डिस्कशन करबा फर्स्ट अथॉरिटी आसोची द ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ पावर फ्रॉम वन टू अदर the ruler is either inheritance according to patrilineal or matrilineal principles or the election or popular choice ता माने कोन ना ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ पावर ता इनहेरिटेंस बेसिस रे आसे जनरली आइदर पितृ स्तरीय होई थाए किबा मातृ स्तरीय होई थाए पैट्रिलिनियल और मैट्रिलिनियल प्रिंसिपल और थ्रू इलेक्शन और पॉपुलर चॉइस और इलेक्टोरल प्रोसेस करा जाय जोटी पैट्रिलिनियल बा मैट्रिलिनियल डिसेंट रो हेई परलानी बा प्रिंसिपल रो हेई परलानी सेठी कोन होबो ना इलेक्शन प्रोसेस करा जाय और जोटी की पॉपुलर चॉइस ऑफ वोटिंग जार अधिक थिबो चॉइस ऑफ प्रेफरेंस जार अधिक थिबो से हिसाब रे ही रूल अथॉरिटी ता ताको दिया जाय both the ascribed and achieved criteria may be combined when the subject selects a particular son of a king as his successor. On the other hand, not following the rules of proper behavior may have quite tragic consequence. आउरी भी बहुत एठी किछि प्रॉपर बिहेवियर जदी गोटे रूल ता ठीक रे न चलिला ताले किछि ट्रेजिक कॉन्सिक्वेंस फेस करिवा पई पड़ी थाए सेकंड कैटेगरी होची सेरेमनीज ऑफ ओथ टेकिंग by the councillors to the new king तापर जेतले नुवा किंग आसी गले सेरेमनीज ऑफ ओथ टेकिंग गोटे हुए also act as a guidelines for proper conduct on the part of a new ruler सब न्यू रूलर को पाई किछि ना किछि गाइडलाइन थिबो जेमती इन ट्राइबल सोसाइटीज इट इज कॉमन फॉर द काउंसिलर्स टू reprimand the ruler and even फाइन हिम ता माने जदी से किछि से जो गाइडलाइन अछि ता धरे किछि फॉलो न कला देन ही मे बी फाइन ताको किछि फाइन बा रिपे किछि करबा पई पड़े जे सेटी हेड थिबो सो इंटरेस्टिंगली इट इज एनफ इन प्री कॉलोनियल स्टेट इन नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया रे एटा अधिक देखा जाय द ऑफिसेस ऑफ राजा was viewed with the such raja or respectable person who will occupy such type of oath taking ceremony तापरे एटा सेकंड गला परे थर्ड रे आसुची the subject had the right to appeal against the subordinate official मानक against रे जो subject बा जे head तांको against appeal करि परिबे बोली कहै जाउची many a muslim rulers have been known to keep a bell at the gates of their palace for anyone to ring in order to get justice from the king किंग को पाखरु जस्टिस पाइबा पई से मानकर मुस्लिम मान रूलर थिले जेतेबेले तांकर गोटे बेल रखा जायतिला से गेट रे से बेल टा बाडी देले तांकर जस्टिस पई कि अनाउंस हला बोली जणा जाय बा कुहा जाय तने सेतेबेले अनाउंसमेंट से हिसाब रे करा जाउतला सो एठी हम आउ गोटे देखिबा जे political authority have following sets of institutions political authority रो किछिटा institutional principles कोना थिला से समय first principle अछि the people may decide to migrate to another area outside the jurisdiction of the existing ruler people लोक मान ही decide करूथिले migrate जदी हेबे आउ को एरिया को से proper jurisdiction को छाडी के आउ गोटे एरिया को migrate हेबा it is the decision of the people second hochi the paramount ruler may depose his subordinate who has abused the power delegated to him जदि किछ abused power abused होइतिबो बा power कोन misused करा जाइतिबो ताहले ruler को against रे कोन ruler may depose his subordinate ताहले ruler तांकर subordinate बा जो अधस्तीन कर्मचारी मानक against रे किछ action नै पारिबे तापर कहूचे the king may be made to feel sacred of disgruntled people जो माने तांकर मानिबेनी जो लोक मानकर से मानक against रे king किछि action नै पारिबे lastly there may be a revolt against the intolerable government as a despot such a revolt is generally in the form of rebellion माने जो तमरा रिबेलियन बा जा को बे कहउछो कोन अगेंस्ट रे बहुत स्ट्राइक होबो कि कोड होबो सेही भलिया जदी हुए ताले रिप्लेस करा जिवो रूलर जे तांको काम ठीक रे न करंती ताले रिप्लेस करा जिवो थ्रू द रिबेलियन as no change is brought in the basic values of society the revolt does not amount to revolution it is simply reinstatement of a lawful authority तो एति के जिंस हमें गोटे माने स्टेटलेस सोसाइटी रो बेसिक जिंस जानला परे तार अथॉरिटिकल स्ट्रक्चर कोन तार जियोग्राफिकल लोकेशन कोन तार टाइप्स ऑफ अथॉरिटी कोन एंड हाउ द किंग्स विल रूल द किंग्स ओवर रूल्स ओवर देयर सबऑर्डिनेट्स तांकर रूलर किंग्स रो रूल्स ता केमती थिला ताको जानिला परे हमें एठी पले आ गोटे जिंस देखिबा जे देयर हैव सर्टेन की नोट्स तार किछटा की नोट्स अछि गोटे होची क्लान मु तमु कहली एटा ट्राइबल सोसाइटी बा प्रिमिटिव सोसाइटी रे अधिक ए सिंस उडा देखिबा पे हमें पाउछु बा सिंपल सोसाइटी रो स्टेटलेस सोसाइटी जो पॉलिटिकल प्रोसेस रे एटा बेसी प्रिमिटिव बा ट्राइबल मानक क्षेत्र देखियो मिलची तो सेति टाइम प्रथम हमें गोटे कीवर्ड्स अछि क्लान कोन ना द ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल रिकॉग्नाइजिंग कॉमन एंसेस्ट्री जो ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल रिकॉग्नाइज करथबे कॉमन एंसेस्ट्री ताको कह जाउची क्लान second है demography कौन ना the vital statistics showing the numerical conditions of communities the population the numerical conditions of that particular locality तापर होची despot कौन ना the absolute ruler के ताको हमें कहूछु despot तापर होची feudal कौन na polity based on the relation in between the superior and inferior arising from the holdings of land in feud जो भाग चासी बा जो तुमको हमें लास्ट क्लास रे पढिथिलु feudalism feudal lords आउ serfs तापर अछि homicide कोन ना killing of a human being is generally denoted as homicide तापर हला किंगशिप कोन ना द इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफ सोवरेन रूलर किंग जो ताको तारा जो एटा को कहूची इंस्टीट्यूशन टा कहूची इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफ ए सोवरेन रूलर लेजिटिमेसी कोन द लॉफुलनेस lineage कोन ना द ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल विथ आइडेंटिफाएबल एंसेस्टर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट स्टेट आउ गोटे आसिला सेगमेंटरी सोशल स्ट्रक्चर कहा को कहूछु the social formation of many parts form a single unit what a single unit करिबा social formation of many parts segment छोटा स्तर रे डिवीजन करिबा को सिंगल छोटा स्तर माने छोटा खंड रे विभक्तिकरण करिबा को हमें कहूछु सेगमेंटरी सोशल स्ट्रक्चर तापर असुची टिटुलर हेड जोटा होची होल्डर ऑफ ऑफिस विदाउट करेस्पोंडिंग फंक्शन जने हेड थिबे किंतु तांकर किछि करेस्पोंडिंग फंक्शन नथिबा तापर आछि कोन vassals होची होल्डर्स ऑफ लैंड बाय फ्यूडल टेन्योर अच्छा एतिकी सरला परे अगेन विल फोकस ऑन स्टेट इन मॉडर्न सोसाइटी रो स्टेट ता केमती अछि हमें एठी डिस्क्राइब करबा इन बिटवीन दिस मॉडर्न सोसाइटी रो हमें जते बेले स्टेट ता को एनालिसिस करबा वी विल एक्सप्लेन द पॉलिटिकल मॉडर्नाइजेशन कोन एंड आल्सो डिस्कस द पॉलिटिकल systems of modern society and as well as analyze the major components of political system हमें एतिकी जिंस को फोकस करबा modern society कौन first describe करवा then again we will explain on political modernization and also discuss the political systems of modern society as well as we will analyze the major components of political system as a political system रा major components गुड़िक कौन ताकू भी हमें एठी analyze करवा so first let us start with what is modern society कहले हमें कौन बुझुछु now the political system of a modern society is very complex one the political system modern society रो political system ता कौन हेता है generally हमें stateless society बा simple society दा political system कथा analysis कलु it is a very simple form head रहिबे chief रहिबे तांको कथा हिसाब रे काम होबो this is a very simple version बोली हमें ताको कहिलु and here in case of political system of modern society it is generally very complex काहे की complex कहा जाउची ना it requires a coverage or wide range of items of so in between pertaining to society and polity in this unit we will describe the modern society and political system in a society modern society कौन और तार political system ता कौन so political system incorporates a few important elements किछिटा उपादान को नै political system base करूची कौन ना while explaining these elements of political system the unit highlights को जिंस उडा political system रो highlight करूची हमें ना ideology गोटे होची आदर्शगत बा political system रो नीति नियम ideology कौन second the structure and function third the political processes and the basis of legitimacy of a political system legitimacy रो base कोन ताकू भी हम एठी analysis करिबा so here the major area of discussion on function of the political system has been that of political socialization and recruitment as well as the interest political communication and the function of the government political communication केमती होची आउ what is the function what are the functions of the government so ए यूनिट रे हमें अगेन जते बेले ए यूनिट रे जो जिंसटा कहलु मॉडर्न सोसाइटी एंड पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम इन दिस यूनिट वी विल आल्सो कवर ट्रेडिशनल अथॉरिटी कोन charismatic अथॉरिटी कोन लीगल रैशनल अथॉरिटी कोन एंड लेजिटिमेसी ऑफ मॉडर्न पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम रो लेजिटिमेसी टा कोन ताको भी हम एनालिसिस करबा पहले मॉडर्न सोसाइटी कोन ना अ मॉडर्न सोसाइटी में बी डिफाइंड एज वन with a comparatively high per capita income, high rate of literacy, high rate of urbanization, high rate of industrialization, and considerable with geographical and social mobility, extensive mass communication media, and widespread participation of the citizens in the social and political processes. एते गुडा क्राइटेरिया रहउची गोटे मॉडर्न सोसाइटी होबा पई सो मॉडर्न सोसाइटी रो क्राइटेरिया गुडा रे प्रथम क्राइटेरिया आछी तमर हाई पर कैपिटा इनकम रहिबो मुंड पिछा आय तापर हाई रेट ऑफ लिटरेसी रहिबो लिटरेट अधिक थिबो अर्बनाइजेशन अधिक थिबो इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन अधिक थिबो ज्योग्राफिकल सोशल मोबिलिटी थिबो आउ कोन मास कम्युनिकेशन रो सुविधा थिबो मीडिया कम्युनिकेशन ट्रांसपोर्टेशन एयर भी फैसिलिटीज थिबो as well as wide spread of participation of citizens in the social and political process लोक मानकर पार्टिसिपेशन सामाजिक और राजनैतिक प्रक्रिया रे मॉडर्नाइजेशन लेवल ऑफ मॉडर्नाइजेशन ने अधिक रहिथिबो so these are the different qualities of modern society qualities of modern society which denoted how a modern society should be गोटे modern society केमती होबा कथा ता हिसाब ताकू ही शो करूची so the idea of modernization has a profound appeal in the developing countries of the world Even the traditional societies which are against modernization, traditional societies are generally against modernization. For example, some of the Arab countries have introduced the elements of modernization in different areas. Even traditional society ଆମେ ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ example ନବା Arab countries ରେ ସେମାନେ ବି introduce କରିଦେଲେ elements of modernization in different areas. They have modernized their armies. ସେମାନେ କାହାକୁ modernize କଲେ? They are modernized their armies and started industrialization in a big way. Industrialization टाको अधिक मात्रा रे ସେମାନେ चालू कले बा चालू रहे अधिका चलेले. तापर देखिलु इवन इन ट्राइबल सोसाइटीज रे भी हमें मॉडर्नाइजेशन रो किछटा इन्फ्लुएंस देखिछु. एंड ट्राइबल सोसाइटी रे कोड हैला ना द मॉडर्न आइटम्स ऑफ कंजप्शन एंड मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजीज ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर. ट्राइबल सोसाइटी रे ए दिटा यूज करा गला. गोटे होची मॉडर्न आइटम्स ऑफ कंजप्शन आ गोटे होची मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजीज ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर हैव बिकम वेरी पॉपुलर. An important point to remember here in the context of modernization that we cannot hold up modernization in one sector. हमें गोटे जगह modernization रो sector माने hold करी रखी परिबा नहीं for a long time. When other sectors are getting modernized, except at a great strain to the social system. माने हमें देखिए जेमते गोटे एग्जांपल देले with the modernization of Indian economy, the traditional joint family system has broken down in many parts of the country. आमे जदि एबे मॉडर्नाइजेशन आमे एठी कहू छी गोटे सेक्टर को बांधी कि रहिनी. मॉडर्नाइजेशन जदि गोटे सेक्टर रे प्रभाव पकोची तार गोटे सेक्टर रे काम करूची तार प्रभावटा विभिन्न सेक्टर को पडुची. तो सेमति गोटे एग्जांपल दियाला जदि मॉडर्नाइजेशन इंडियन इकोनॉमी रे बढ़िला बा विथ द मॉडर्नाइजेशन ऑफ इंडियन इकोनॉमी रे भी जदि मॉडर्नाइजेशन आमे देखियो कोन पाइलु, it will affect the traditional joint family system which has broken down in many parts of the country. Traditional joint family system modernization influence द्वारा एबे सेटा कम बने भांगी गलाडी बाजा को हमें न्यूक्लियर पैटर्न ऑफ फैमिली अधिका देखिया पई पाउछु. Again, when the modernization takes place in a society, its political setup also is bound to get modernized. जतबेले हमें पॉलिटिकल सेटअप मॉडर्नाइज निहाती रहइबो. मॉडर्नाइजेशन जदि गोटे सोसाइटी रे आसीबो तार पॉलिटिकल सेटअप भी सही हिसाब रे मॉडर्नाइज्ड हबो. For example, as an impact of modernization, popular movement began in Nepal. Nepal le popular movement heitila for the decentralization of power. क्षमतार विकेंद्रीकरण पई. This movement challenged the traditional authority of the king of Nepal. It, however, ended with the formation of Rashtriya Panchayat, which handed over considerable power to the hands of people's representatives. So, as a matter of fact, the process of modernization has influenced political development in all societies. Sabu societies ro political development ta modernization na impact padore asila. The state has been exposed to influence the modernization and has found it a very useful tool for effective transmission of business at both internal and external level. Internal level le और external level le effective transaction of business हमें देखिबा पई पाइबो. तापर आसुची हमें पुणी एनालिसिस करबा ताले मॉडर्न सोसाइटी रो पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम ता को हिसाब रे करा जाउची. प्रथम हमें देखिबा इन द इट इज अकॉर्डिंग टू मैक्स वेबर को हिसाब रे अ स्टेट इज अ ह्यूमन कम्युनिटी. स्टेट होची ओटे ह्यूमन कम्युनिटी व्हिच सक्सेसफुली क्लेम्स within a given territory the monopoly of the legitimate use of physical force. Hence, politics means the striving to share power or to influence the distribution of power either among the states or among the group within the state. राज्य भितरे हो किंबा among the groups within the state. गोटे राज्य भितरे से ग्रुप मानक भितरे करा जाओ. However, this definition cannot adequately define political process in societies which are apparently stateless or where a capturing power through revolutionary means or struggling for obtaining legitimacy for its action and position. So political writers माने political system उपरे कौन कहिचंते ना here he focused upon the state आमे सेठी stateless कथा पढ़िथिलु किंतु एठी आमे state कथा देखिबा in modern political system रे the political system can therefore force a citizen to behave in a general good. In the case of such a force, the question sometimes arises whether this is legitimate or not. It legal ba legal nuhe. The position of power by an individual or group over the entire societies, the monopoly of power held by the state, and the voluntary organizations pose a challenge to the arbitrary and monopolistic use of power by the state. So it political system रो state रो juncture बा structure टा कौन ताकू ही हमें first analysis करूचु. A modern political system को हिसाब रे characteristics रही ची modern political system रो characteristics कौन ना it is a high degree of differentiation. First characteristics कौन रहूची high degree of differentiation. Second होची functional specificity of governmental and non-governmental structure. Functional specificity रहिबा governmental structure रो और non-governmental structure रो. So in modern political system, each of these subsystem plays a assigned role. प्रत्येका political system रो गोटे subsystem रहिबा सबुरो subsystems रहिबा with different assigned roles. जहाँ को से माने से different roles और responsibilities समस्त पाखरे अलग अलग रहिबा. Since modernization is in different societies shows different level of attainment. This is reflected in the political development of the societies. एटा जेतले modern society रे हमें feature कथा पढिलु again हमर आसुची what are the elements of political system. Political system रो elements बा उपादान गुडी को कोन. प्रथम element पिला आसुची political system रो first and foremost important element is ideology. Ideology बिना गोटे political system रो ये करिबा संभवपर नय. So what is that ideology mean? Ideology is defined as an integrated system of beliefs and symbols which have an appeal to the followers beyond their rational and objective meaning. तामाने प्रत्येक political system रे गोटे निर्दिष्ट principle रहिबो with a system of beliefs and symbols. It has the power it has the power of sentiments for the followers. It is accepted as an article of faith by the followers. जो माने से political system को follow up करिवे that there has certain faith ba belief किछि रहइबो regarding through the ideological form. A political system in general and political parties within that system is particular may have their own ideologies on about the goals and means. तांकर लक्ष्य और माध्यमर गोटे निर्दिष्ट ideology रहिबो. So the degree of internalization of an ideology and its goals and means are dependent on political socialization of individual and the party's capacity for disciplining its members. देखो members प्रत्येक पार्टी रो जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी रो मेंबर्स मानक डिसिप्लिन कथाटा को भी आइडियोलॉजी रे हमर इंक्लूड करा जाउची. So that is to say that the degree to which an ideology is understood differ from individual to individual. Undoubtedly सब आइडियोलॉजी से सेम रहइबो किंतु एटा adhere करिवार कैपेसिटी इंडिविजुअल टू इंडिविजुअल vary करिवो. The degree to which it is absorbed depends on political exposure of the party members and the extent to which the party considers it is also important. It is also important how the party is considered that like with the principles of ideology. So ideology based on political ideology, economic ideology or religious elements. Political, economic or religious element को नेकी ideology टा तैयारी करा जाए. Sometimes ethnic and cultural elements also provide necessary basis for ideology. Democracy is a political ideology. Ideology रो first political system रे हमें जे देखु छु democracy टा होची कोन गोटे political ideology. Communism होची कोन गोटे economic ideology. Communism बा जो डाला कोन तमरो गोटे economic ideology को आ जाउची. आउ जो secular principle तो सेटा हला कोन secular state principle that is noted as the religious ideology. So however none of them can be considered as falling within a single one. ta mane kehi dekho political ideology ho, economic ideology ho, religious ideology ho, tinita jango jinso gotiye form re analysis karu na ho. There has different maybe they have the political system based on different elements: political ideology, economic ideology, as well as religious ideology. So an ideology depends upon the it is multi ame jodi kahiba it is denoted as a characteristic feature of modern political process by which we know the different ideological forms of political system ra ame bibhinna ideological form ta ko ethi imply karuchu. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ପ୍ରଥମ ପାର୍ଟ ରେ ଦେଖିଲୁ ଆଇଡିଓଲୋଜି, ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ରେ ଆସୁଛି ଏଲିମେଣ୍ଟସ ର ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର. ଏଭ୍ରି ପଲିଟିକାଲ ପାର୍ଟି ହାଜ ସର୍ଟନ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ରହିବ. ସେ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ଟା କଣ ନା ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ ବେସ୍ଡ ଅନ୍ ଦ political structure of society pointed out at any point of time will be influenced by prevailing the dominant ideology, that is the ideology of the ruler or the ruling party. आइडियोलॉजी ऑफ रूलर रही पारे जो स्ट्रक्चर टा काहा को नै की करा जीवो तयारी करा जीवो रूलर रो आइडियोलॉजी ऊपर बेस करे बा से रूलिंग पार्टी रो आइडियोलॉजी ऊपर बेस करूची स्ट्रक्चर. सो इन दिस टर्न दिस विल बी इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय द सोशल स्ट्रक्चर, वैल्यूज एंड स्टेजेस ऑफ डेवलपमेंट ऑफ ए सोसाइटी. ट्रेडिशनल सोशल स्ट्रक्चर एंड अथॉरिटेरियन वैल्यूज गो टुगेदर while modern social structure and democratic values go hand in hand. In many cases, social structure and values have acted as constraints to development. So, ethi ame dekhuchu, it should be kept in mind that when we speak of structure of a political party, structure कथा जदि हमें एठी कहिबा एठी structure को divide करा जाउची 5 types of political structures. अच्छा हमें एठी गोटे जिंस लेखुची oligarchy. oligarchy कोन oligarchy एठी कहूची जे it exists this it should be kept in mind that oligarchic power माने it comprising a small power group may go on indefinitely. एठी होची गोटे ट्रेडिशनल ओलिगार्की, गोटे होची टोटालिटेरियन ओलिगार्की, आ गोटे होची मॉडर्नाइजिंग ओलिगार्की, आ गोटे होची पॉलिटिकल डेमोक्रेसीज. तो फास्ट हमें देखिबा ट्रेडिशनल ओलिगार्की कोन ना. ट्रेडिशनल ओलिगार्की कहूची दिस इज यूजुअली मोनार्कीज एंड डिनास्टिक फॉर्म. इट इज and is based on custom rather than constitution. ट्रेडिशनल को बेस करूची माने अनडाउटली ए जो रूलर टा बा रूल टा काहा को बेस करूथबो ट्रेडिशन और कस्टम को नै की करा जाइथबो rather than the constitutional power. The ruling elite or ruling party and the bureaucracy are recruited on the basis of kinship or status. The goal of the ruler is stability and maintenance of the system. In its own interest, it may launch schemes of modernization like modernization of army and bureaucracy and may even launch welfare programs. But the primary aim is to continue the dynastic rule. तो माने ए रूल टा को कंटिन्यू करिबा रहबा तांकर प्राइमरी फोकस, किंतु एटा कस्टम बा ट्रेडिशन द्वारा ही करा जिवो and there does not have any constitutional force. Second one is totalitarian oligarchy. Totalitarian oligarchy kona? There is a total penetration of society by the polity. There is high degree of concentration of power in the hands of the ruling elite and high tempo of social mobilization. The Chinese regime ta hochi is a good example of this type of oligarchy. Chinese ruling ta hochi kona? Totalitarian oligarchy. तमान totalitarian oligarchy ने हमें कौन कहलु? There is high degree of concentration of power in the hands of ruling. जे रूल करूथबो ता पाखर जो पार्टी रूल करूथबो बा जो जे रूलिंग इलिट थिबो तांको पाखरे सबु जंक पावर टा रहिबो. Then again third one is modernizing oligarchy. Modernizing oligarchy कोन ना एठी कहूची it is the concentration of political functions in a ruling clique and in the bureaucracy. A modernizing oligarchy ta bureaucracy upare base karuthbo. There is an absence of competitive political parties associations and interest groups exist with limited activity. The media are controlled by the government. Generally, the ruling elite is committed to development and modernization. So, some of the Latin American states are the example of modernizing oligarchy. Modernizing oligarchy ta kon kochi? Now, it is characterized by the concentration of political functions in a ruling clique and in the bureaucratic form. तापरे होची कॉम्पिटिटिव इट इज absence of competitive political parties आउ कि यार political parties तारा नथिबे बा associations नथिबो बा interest group किछि नथिबो ए तारा कोनटा गोटिए ऊपर ही कंट्रोल करा जायतिबो that is known as the modernizing oligarchy political form bureaucratic rule तापरे गोटे आछि tutelary democracy अच्छा एटा गोटे कोन ना the dominant characteristics of this system is that it has accepted the formal norms of democracy. Eta democracy ro formal norms ta ko accept karuthbo. Formal norms kono na universal suffrage hela, freedom of association hela, freedom of speech hela, and structural forms of democracy. But there is concentration of power in the executive and bureaucracy. Concentration of power ta executive upare और bureaucracy upare करा जाइथिबो. The legislature tends to be relatively powerless and the judiciary is not always free from the interference. The assumption is that people are not ripe for the democratic process. Otherwise, the political system may go out of gear and there will be instability. Instability democratic but artillery democracy until the end of the 1988 Pakistan was the best example of this system. देखो सबु जंक जो political system रे हमें देखु छु सबु माने कंट्री रो किछ एग्जांपल दिया है एठी टटलेरी डेमोक्रेसी ता होची पाकिस्तानी फॉर्म ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी जदि हमें कहबा द डोमिनेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ दिस सिस्टम होची फॉर्मल नॉर्म्स ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी कहले फ्रीडम ऑफ एसोसिएशन रहिबो फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच रहिबो एंड स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्म्स ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर डेमोक्रेटिक फॉर्म ता रहूची किंतु फंक्शन रे डेमोक्रेटिक फॉर्म ता देखिबा पई मिलु नाही. This is about the tutelary form of democracies. The next one is political democracy. What is political democracy? Now, political democracy these are the systems which function with autonomous executive, legislatures, and judiciary. Political parties and the media are free and competitive. There are autonomous interest groups and pressure groups. For example, USA and UK, some of the developing countries such as India are example of political systems of democracy. Our state taku hi ame nochu political democracy form. So ethi structure re nuhe it also functions the autonomous executives, legislatures and judiciary. Tinta jinso re ame democratic form of principles of government where democratic parties of political system dekhiba pai pauchu. So, political structures in the political system will differ considerably. It is only in political democracies that the three organs of the state, the executive, legislature or judiciary, tinta organ have autonomy and political parties and the media are relatively free and competitive. It is samastankara equal importance ta rahichi. In the majority of the cases, there will be a written constitution which defines the power and duties of the bodies. In all other political systems, either there is no autonomy for these bodies or when autonomy exists, it is limited. The non-government structures also will have to fall in the line with the wish of the rulers. So, ethi generally ame dekhilu political democracy re kon hochi not only in structures but also with functions we play the political democratic pattern. The parties like example la USA, UK, our amara developing countries like India also showing the example of political democratic form of government. अच्छा एटा हमें गला परे आमे आउ गोटे जिंस देखिबा जे पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम यूजुअली परफॉर्म्स सम वेल डिफाइंड फंक्शंस पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम बा फंक्शंस ऑफ पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम जदि हम देखिबा functions रे political system टा विभिन्न प्रकार रो function play करूची, well defined functions किछि play करूची. So the major functions of a political system may be categorized into two broad headings. दीटा headings रे political function को हमें divide करूछु. गोटे होची input function आ गोटे होची output function. એટલે input function कोन ना input function under रे हमें चारिटा सब divide करिछु. गोटे होची political socialization and recruitment. Second होची interest articulation. Third हैला interest aggregation. Fourth है political communication. एटा है input function. Output function ने कौन देखु ना rule making, rule application, rule adjudication ए सब जिनस होची कौन ना output functions रे हमें देखिबा को आउची. These are the two functions of political system. So जदि हमें first input function reflect करूची कहा को ना non governmental subsystems जो पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम रो फंक्शन हमें देखिलु. फास्ट इनपुट फंक्शन है जो पॉलिटिकल सोशलाइजेशन हैला, रिक्रूटमेंट हैला, इंटरेस्ट एग्रीगेशन हैला, पॉलिटिकल कम्युनिकेशन हैला, एगुडी को कहा क्षेत्र रे देखा जाउची ना नॉन गवर्नमेंटल सिस्टम क्षेत्र रे. हेलो
हेलो मैडम शुभुनी.
हाँ हाँ कटि जाइथिला मते एबे जॉइन.
आज्ञा आज्ञा.
अच्छा एबे देखिबा आउटपुट मेथड टा होची गवर्नमेंटल सबसिस्टम पाई. इनपुट मेथड हैला कोन नॉन गवर्नमेंटल सबसिस्टम पाई. सो पॉलिटिकल सोशलाइजेशन और रिक्रूटमेंट कोन ना political socialization is the process of inducting an individual in the political culture. It is a part of general socialization. Is a part of general socialization but with a different focus and objective. Unlike general socialization, political socialization starts later in childhood. There are two main components of political socialization. दीटा component अछि political socialization ना गोटे हो तो एठी खाली सॉरी रे पिला टिके कटि जाउची बारंबार काहे कि. The first thing is done by the general educational system and by the other agencies of the state. Second thing is done by the different political parties in democratic countries and those which are experimenting with democratic models. The two components of political socialization are different. दीटा कंपोनेंट ऑफ पॉलिटिकल सोशलाइजेशन अछि सेटा डिफरेंट देखौछि. तापरे आसुची तमरा पॉलिटिकल सोशलाइजेशन पर हम आउ गोटे देखुछु कोन इंटरेस्ट आर्टिकुलेशन. इंटरेस्ट आर्टिकुलेशन कोन ना इंटरेस्ट आर्टिकुलेशन मींस the expression of interest in a political system. Expression of interest in a political system for the attention of the government. In all political systems, the needs and problems of the citizens are in the final analysis to be taken care of the state. Due to the complex and interdependent nature of the modern societies, even small problems of the individuals may have a bearing beyond the area of their occurrence. Many of the problems of an individual are beyond his control and the need the help of the state for their solution. Usually it is difficult for the individual demands or attended to by decision making agencies. They are collectively expressed. Persons who have the same problems join together. Depending upon the mode of their articulation, they can be divided into the following institutional groups. What is associational interest group? आ गोटे होची नॉन एसोसिएशनल इंटरेस्ट ग्रुप एटा गला तमरो इंटरेस्ट आर्टिकुलेशन कहूची कोन ना द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इन ए पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम रे एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट कोन अबा फॉर द कहा पाई ना फॉर द अटेंशन ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट तापरे आसुची इंस्टीट्यूशनल इंटरेस्ट ग्रुप कोन ना दीज आर डुअली कॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड गोटे होची स्टेबल एंड इंस्टीट्यूशनलाइज स्ट्रक्चर सच एज चर्च हैला ब्यूरोक्रेसी हैला आर्मी हैला लेजिस्लेचर हैला एटा होची कोन स्टेबल दो देयर ऑफिशियल फंक्शंस आर क्लियरली स्पेल्ड आउट they are an active group among them make the articulation in many developing countries the elite among the bureaucracy or army may espouse the cause of the underdog or the poor or the downtrodden by eta hochi institutional interest group रे हमें कहार इंटरेस्ट देखुछु चर्च ब्यूरोक्रेसी आर्मी लेजिस्लेचर तांकर इंटरेस्ट ग्रुप्स कोन रहउची अच्छा हेलो हेलो
हेलो
हेलो अरे सुबुची सब मु कहूची तुमको सेतळ सुबुची कि नै मु जानि पने
ना मैडम किसी सुबह जाऊ नथिला
सॉरी देखिए आउ थरे तो पुणी थरे
ओके ओके मैडम
आउ थरे ट्राई कली मु कितने काटी
आज्ञा ओके ठीक अछि
अच्छा इंस्टीट्यूशनल इंटरेस्ट ग्रुप परे आउ गोटे आछी एसोसिएशनल इंटरेस्ट ग्रुप काहा को कहूची ट्रेड यूनियंस एसोसिएशंस ऑफ मैनेजर्स हेले बिजनेसमैन हेले ट्रेडर्स हेले वेरियस एजेंसीज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड फॉर नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज जोथे कि एथनिक एक्टिविटीज कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज रिलीजियस ग्रुप एक्टिविटीज सिविक ग्रुप एक्टिविटीज यूथ ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस एगुडा हला कोन एसोसिएशनल इंटरेस्ट ग्रुप जनरली बेस्ड ऑन नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज they will have their own established procedures for formulation of interest and demand तांकर इंटरेस्ट फॉर्मुलेशन पई और डिमांड पई तांकर वेरियस पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज लेजिस्लेचर और ब्यूरोक्रेसी रा पॉलिटिकल स्ट्रक्चर्स कोन से हिसाब रे डिपेंड करे in most of the developing countries many of these associations will have political structures like trade unions youth organizations ए जिंस जोडा मु कहली that is denoted to your associational interest group next one is non associational interest group kona now these are the groups that are not formally established but are important due to their caste or religious or family position. Non-associational groups, जेमती कि informal delegation may be formed to meet the official or minister concern about some problem. For example, the mode of collection of a certain alteration of government rule, etc. It is not necessary that the interest is articulated through the delegation. So it is possible that in a formal or informal get together, the spokesman of the group could air the grievances. Non-associational interest group कौन कहूची? These group are not formally established, किंतु important due to their caste or religious or family position. बुझियला माने formally माने associated नथिबे, informally एथि पई हे थाए कोन पई ना they are associated with their caste, religious and family positions. तापर गोटे आसुची anomic interest group. Anomic interest group कोन? Now these are the groups that are spontaneously formed and may be relatively unstable or short-lived, such as the riot or demonstration. जो दंगा करंती, जो riot or demonstration पई करा जाय था, short agitation पई, riot पई. We do not include the violent political demonstrations and show of strength or rallies. Rally जो करंती, जो riot करंती, सेमाने ताकू कोन कहउची anomic interest groups. Sometimes they will remain stable. केते बेले भी माने stability maintain करंती, स्थिर group भी कहा जाय, for a relatively long period in which they will become associations. तापरे गोटे देखिबा political communication कोन ना. Communication is the life blood of any social system. It is through communication interpersonal and elite mass relationships are maintained. In a political system, this is equally important that all political functions like socialization, recruitment, articulation, aggregation, entire rule making, enforcement and adjunction process rest on information. माने विभिन्न प्रकार information which is an essential input in any rational action supplied through the communication. So political communication is a lifeblood of any social system. It is the means of communication that makes the political system work efficiently, and it is a responsible manner. How the political system will efficiently work, this is the responsibility of political communication. So an autonomous and neutral and thoroughly penetrative political system is essential to the development and maintenance of an active and effective electoral process and citizenship. Even in the modern society, there is widespread penetration of mass communication media. The role of person-to-person communication is also very important. In the developing societies, opinion makers and elites assume great prominence in screening the available information and passing the desired things. So in modern society, the political information that flows from the government to the people is a much larger in volume than in the flowing from the citizen to the government. Basically, as the political information ta kotu na flows from the government to the people in spite of the citizens to the government. Acha, government therefore makes extensive use of the communication network like electronic media controlled by the government, newspaper and official communications sent as circulars and orders through the bureaucracy. तापरे हमें देखिबा गवर्नमेंट फंक्शंस कोन. पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम एति कि जिंस हमें जानला पर अगेन एठी क्वेश्चन आसुची व्हाट इज गवर्नमेंटल फंक्शन. गवर्नमेंटल फंक्शंस कोन ना. अंडर दिस गवर्नमेंटल फंक्शन देयर आर 3 आइटम्स व्हिच कवर ऑल द फंक्शंस ऑफ मॉडर्न गवर्नमेंट. तीनटा आइटम्स अछि. गोटे होची रूल मेकिंग, गोटे हला रूल एप्लीकेशन, आ गोटे होची रूल एडजुडिकेशन. अच्छा, प्रथमे देखिबा हमें रूल मेकिंग ता कोन ना. इट इज अ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ मॉडर्न पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम. रूल मेकिंग इज डन मोस्टली इन द बाय द लेजिस्लेचर. लॉ हिसाब रे रूल मेकिंग ता करा जाय एंड पार्टी बाय द एग्जीक्यूटिव, while rule enforcement is done by the executive with the help of bureaucracy. rule adjunction is done by the judiciary. Rule adjunction टा कहा द्वारा करा होची judiciary द्वारा तमरा rule application टा कहा द्वारा करा जाउची executive द्वारा और rule making टा कहा द्वारा करा जाउची ना legislature द्वारा तापरे एठी लिखुची there are two factors which contribute to a difference in a situation dita factor difference create करूची in most modernizing society there is wide difference between the formal and informal arrangements in the government functions while the formal arrangement is embodied in the constitution of country that this is seldom observed in actual practice formal organization this is in turn is because the political culture and the type of government that a country may have जो गोटे कंट्री रे रहिबा आवश्यक एतिकी जिंस गले तापरे आसुची गोटे तमर कोन ना बेसिस ऑफ लेजिटिमेसी रो बेसिस कोन बा जोटा मु तुमको स्टार्टिंग रो कहितली हमें पढिबा लेजिटिमेसी रो बेस बा टाइप्स कोन प्रथमे हमें देखिबा लेजिटिमेसी कोन ना यूज ऑफ कोरेसिव पावर इज द डिस्टिंग्विशिंग मार्क ऑफ ए स्टेट गोटे स्टेट रो यूज ऑफ पावर होची बे स्टेट रो गोटे मार्क गोटे माने मुख्य अंग हिसाब रे गोटे काम करे this means that the state possesses the power to coerce the individual जदि को लोक खराब पे कला state किसी ता against action नबा पई करा जाय individual and any organization under this jurisdiction to accept the authority and to impose all kinds of punishment ता पई किछि punishment भी रहे including the imprisonment हे पारे death हे पारे बुझियो छी लाइफ टाइम जो कौन जेल लाइफ टाइम पनिशमेंट जोटा सेटा भी मिल पारे तो द इंडिविजुअल्स एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस विल हैव टू सबमिट टू द अथॉरिटी ऑफ द स्टेट all the holders of power of this kind therefore are anxious to legitimate their power legitimate power रे हमें एठी मैक्स वेबर तीनटा लेजिटिमेट अथॉरिटी कथा कहिसंती लेजिटिमेटिंग अथॉरिटी कथा कहिसंती प्रथम होची ट्रेडिशनल एंड charismatic authority traditional authority कोड ना this authority is sanctioned by custom and practice the authority was there from the very beginning रो authority हम पाखरे अछि and nobody has challenged to it हमर कस्टम रे जो प्रथा परंपरा रे जो नियम गुडी का अछि वर्तमान पर्यंत भी हमें किछि जिंस सेतिरे चेंजेस आसीनी हमें ताको एबे पर्यंत भी मानुछु that is known as traditional authority the authority of the parents over the children जदि हम एठी एग्जांपल नबा authority over the parents of the parents over the children and of kings over their subjects राजा माने जो तांकर लोक मान को प्रति नियंती has rested on such claim तापरे होची charismatic authority कोन ना this is derived from charisma कोन ना that is extraordinary power charisma एठी कहूची extraordinary power जेमति कि influence of great leaders जो माने हमें सब जो बड़ा बड़ा हमर लीडर मानक द्वारा हमें जो प्रभावित होउछु तांकर जो अथॉरिटी ता हम ऊपर रहउची ताको हम कहउछु charismatic authority according to this follows their leaders possesses certain powers which will enable him or her to take them to a critical situation or give them what they want so they consider their leader as a savior the extraordinary power attributed to a leader or claimed by him or her to be the real or imaginary form but for the followers it is real जदि हम देखिबा जेमति कि the followers submit her authority without questions हमें किछि क्वेश्चन न करि कि भी तांकर अथॉरिटिकल प्रिंसिपल को मानि नु जेमति कि अथॉरिटिकल charisma of गांधी जी नेपोलियन बुझियो छी they are the political leaders we are without any question we follows their principles or ideologies ताको हमें कोन कहउछु charismatic authority तापर आसुची again होची legal rational authority कोन ना it is the authority based on law undoubtedly authority ता बेस करथबो काहा को नै कि law को नै कि the person who uses authority is duly appointed as per the rule of the office concerned and this entitles him to exercise all the authority vested in that particular office the president or prime minister of a state who comes to power through the constitutionally established method to legitimate ruler. तो देखो जो प्रेसिडेंट प्राइम मिनिस्टर हमको जो भले अथॉरिटी रे हम रूल करंती ताको हमें कहूछ कोन लीगल रैशनल अथॉरिटी. In fact, law is considered to be the embodiment of the reason. The main reason are कौन रहिबो law. अच्छा लेजिटिमेसी रो माने अथॉरिटी रो तीनटा टाइपोलॉजी जानला परे आमे अगेन आरो किछि की नोट्स अछि जोटा के प्रथम अछि एनोमिक कोन एनोमिक कहिले इट इज अ सोशल कंडीशन विदाउट एनी रूल्स ऑफ लॉ किछि लॉ बिना जो सोशल कंडीशन ता रहिते ताको हमें कहउछु एनोमिक. अथॉरिटी कोन ना वंस लेजिटिमाइज्ड कैपेसिटी जडकर लेजिटिमाइज्ड कैपेसिटी टू इंपोज हिज और हर इन्फ्लुएंस ऑन अदर्स तांकर निजर प्रभावटा अन्य ऊपर पकेबा. The legitimacy can be derived from traditional legitimacy, rational legal legitimacy और charismatic basis रे. और elite कोन ना elite होची people who have excelled themselves in the field of their activity जो माने powerful जो माने जो निज field रे excelled कहले कोन बुझुछु हमें ना निज field रे से माने दक्ष social हैला political हैला economic हैला religious हैला तो ताको हमें कोन कहउछु elite group. अच्छा तापर आसुची गोटे charisma कोन ना an extraordinary power of the leaders to influence followers अलका मानको जो leader power जोटा सेटा होची charisma. Interest group कोन ना groups formed especially for the attainment of certain common interest of its members. Ideologies कोन ना a system of belief and symbol which have an appeal to the followers. Then again question comes, what is modernization? Now it is a process of achieving the composite features of a modernized nation through a high per capita income, high rate of literacy, urbanization, industrialization, social mobility, extensive penetration of mass communication, and widespread participation of the citizen in the social and political process. Then again question comes, what is power? Power is one's capacity to impose his or her influence on others. Structure कोन ना the network of relationship between the individuals and groups, institutions or organizations. अच्छा पले एत्ति की गला पर अगेन क्वेश्चन आसुची व्हाट इज स्टेट एंड अदर इंस्टीट्यूशन. स्टेट कोन आ अदर इंस्टीट्यूशंस तार कोन हमें से जिंस रो किछिटी एनालाइज करबा. So before we start, we should focus on what is state. The term political system has been preferred by political sociologists instead of conventional term state in order to accommodate several subsystems and do not form a direct part of the state in the strict sense or terms. The term state has a different meaning in political science. Political science रे हम जदि state को देखिबा बहुत प्रकार meaning तार अछि. We speak of Uttar Pradesh as a state, we speak of state support etc. जेमते हमें विभिन्न प्रकार state हमर divide करिछु त एठी कहै जाउची जे the marks of an independent state, the state has also been viewed as a society divided into governments and subjects. कहा भितर डिवाइड कराइछि गवर्नमेंट भितर और लोकमान को भितर क्लेमिंग विद इन द allotted physical area गोटे निर्दिष्ट भौगोलिक सीमा फिजिकल एरिया और सुप्रीमेसी ओवर ऑल अदर इंस्टीट्यूशंस आउ सब इंस्टीट्यूशंस रो भी सुप्रीमेसी सेठी रहिबो. Some political scientists maintain the state that the state is the people organized for law within a given territory. अच्छा एठी हमें स्टेट रे ताहले को जिंस मर्ज करूछु गोटे होची टेरिटरी गोटे होची गवर्नमेंट आ गोटे होची सोवरेनिटी. चला we may briefly examine the attributes of the state. First हमें देखिबा स्टेट रे आछी population कोड ना the state arises out of the aggregation of human beings combined with his or her political instinct. Without people no state can exist. हमें जानिछु. However, one single family or a group of family does not make a state. गोटे family के नहीं गले हबनी कि गोटे group of family नेले भी हबनी. There should be a viable number of people in a state. गोटे state रे जति की people number दरकार सेही हिसाब रे गोटे स्टेट रो को हमें क्राइटेरिया रे सेही क्राइटेरिया रे गोटे स्टेट को नबा. द स्टेट विथ लार्ज पॉपुलेशंस हैव सर्टेन पॉलिटिकल एडवांटेज थिबो ओवर द स्टेट्स विथ अ स्मॉल पॉपुलेशन. माने सॉरी with very small population ता माने एठी किछि political advantage सहित आउ कोन population large population को नै कि आमे कोन करथिबा स्टेट टाको जस्टिफाई एठी करा जाउची स्टेट रो ये सेमति रहइबो ना कि गोटिए फैमिली नै गले स्टेट हेजिबो किंबा ग्रुप ऑफ फैमिली नै गले हेजिबो सेकंड आछि टेरिटोरी टेरिटोरी रे आमे लिखुछु इट इज एन indispensable attribute of a state ता माने आमे देयर इज नो स्टेट एट प्रेजेंट व्हिच हैज नो प्रॉपर टेरिटोरी एमिति को स्टेट वर्तमान पर्यंत नाही जोतरे प्रॉपर टेरिटोरी किछि नाही टू एनफोर्स अथॉरिटी ओवर द सिटीजन such a state cannot carry on relationship with other nations ए स्टेट ता आउ अदर नेशन ऊपर कैन नॉट जो स्टेट ता तार बाउंड्री बस सेही हिसाब रे से काम करबा अदर स्टेट सहित हमर किछि माने कोन माने आमे जबरदस्ती किछि रूल बाय रेगुलेशंस तांको ऊपर लगै परिबा नाही then again as to government kono there is a confusion in common language between the state and government actually the government is the agency of the state government hochi kono agency of the state and it exists for carrying out the will of the state state ro will hisab re government kam will mane ichha hisab re hi government kam karibo without a government a state cannot function as a matter of fact the very justification for a state is that it provides people with a machinery for orderly life the state does this through a government a state cannot be conceived of without a government gote government bina ame state ku chinta kari pariba nahi then again question comes what is sovereignty kono na the word sovereignty means ultimate power the distinguishing characteristics of the state is the monopoly of coercive power over all individuals and institutions within the territory no one can question this power of the state but sovereignty is not confined to the area within the state माने sovereignty कहले use of power बा ultimate power जोटा no state has the power to impose the restriction on another state जोटा कि हमें कहिलु that this is recognized as the recognized by the international law हिसाब रे recognize करा जायछि so it is necessary at this point to give of the we know that we agree that the sovereignty is the outstanding characteristics of a state state माने outstanding characteristics टा कोन रहइबो sovereignty then again we will have what is state and government state is an abstraction but government is a concrete element of state is a supreme body but government is the element of the state is more or less permanent whereas government authority is derived from the derived and limited by the terms of constitution sovereignty is an attribute of the state and not of the government then question comes what is state and society the state is the agency which performs the political function in the society and as such the subsystem of the society while society is concerned with the functions of procuring food and meeting with the economic needs related integration needs and security needs political needs these are the things of the smooth and continuous in a smooth or continuous manner re karibata hochi kahara na ame lekhucheti society concern karuchi sei jinso ko besides this state has also to protect the citizens from external interference the state has also to pursue its interest in the international field for this state is endowed with the additional attribute sovereignty रहिथिबा प्रत्येक स्टेट रो निर्दिष्ट sovereignty which the society does not have किंतु सोसाइटी रे ई जिंसटा न थाए so it is possible that the territorial boundary and the population of a state may be with a territory and a population of a society in many of the countries of the world आउ एठी देखिबा स्टेट एंड अदर एसोसिएशंस स्टेट एंड अदर एसोसिएशंस रे हम देखुछु स्टेट और नेशन कोन देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन स्टेट एंड नेशन the word nation is derived from the latin word nation which means born born ba janma grahan kariba this means that a nation is a people descended from a common stock the nation has been defined as a population of an ethnic unity inhabiting a territory of a geographical unity so a nation is the people's consciousness of unity लोक मानकर सचेतनतार एकता को हमें कहूछु गोटे नेशन Once this consciousness is achieved, ethnic difference lose their importance. So it is inhabited by three different ethnic groups रे हमें divide करूचो. So state is a people's organized for law within a definite territory, whereas nation is a people psychologically bound together. हमें जो emotional attachment रहिबा ताको हमें कौन कहूचो नेशन आमको जोट कहूचो कोन हमें एठी हमें नेशन ने हमें कोन हे जाउचो people's consciousness of unity ऊपर डिपेंड करूचो. आउ गोटे होची statehood is objective, nationhood is subjective. Statehood is an obligation enforceable by law. law द्वारा हमको जबरदस्ती करा जाए स्टेट रे जो जो नियम अछि ताकू ये करबा पई. whereas nationhood is a condition of mind or spiritual possession. तमे जो कहचो we are Indian, it's a spiritual possession or a condition of mind. So a state may consist of one nation or different nations. For the same reason, a nation may be split into two or more states. किंतु nation ने हमें दीटा बा दीटा रो अधिक state एठी देखिबा को पाइबा. अच्छा एटा टू और मोर स्टेट माने हमरो जदी हम इंडिया के चिंता करियो वी हैव हाउ मेनी स्टेट्स को नै जत्ते गुडे स्टेट थिबो दुई बा दुई रो अधिक हेले हमें ताको कोन कहूछु गोटे नेशन हिसाब रे नो. So एठी देखिबा institutions under political system को institution उडा political system under रे जाउची. political system under रे जाउची गोटे होची governmental organization आ गोटे होची non governmental organization. governmental organization ने कोन रहिला पहिले executive रहिला, legislature रहिला, judiciary रहिला, bureaucracy रहिला एगुडा आछी governmental organization ने. non governmental organization ने कोन रहउची political parties रहउचंती, interest group रहउचंती आउ प्रेस रहउची. पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, इंटरेस्ट ग्रुप आउ प्रेस एटा हला नॉन गवर्नमेंटल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. प्रथमे हमें पढिबा गवर्नमेंटल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस कोन. Now depending upon the number of persons sharing the authority we can speak of rule by one or rule by many persons. जनक द्वारा हो कि अधिक लोकक द्वारा हो. These descriptions are not precise but only approximation कथा कह जाउची. Democracy can take different forms of parliamentary and presidential rules. United Kingdom and India are examples of parliamentary democracy. In fact, India borrowed its democratic setup from UK. Presidential democracy is one where the president holds the supreme power and is not answerable to the legislature. United States of America is the best example of presidential democracy. In India, the Prime Minister who heads the Union Cabinet can be removed by a vote of Parliament. In the United States of America, the President can be removed only by the impeachment by the 2/3 majority of the Congress. Man American equivalent of Parliament. Yet another distinction in the form of government is whether it is of the unitary or the federal type. Unitary type कहले कोन ना where the government is centralized and there is local autonomy. Federal type कहले कोन ना the local governments have autonomy over the limited area of power. Local government रो जो authority रहउची ताको हमें कहउछु federal type. Governmental authority जो centralized रहउची ताको हमें कहउछु unitary type. अच्छा तापर आछी legislature. Legislature कोड ना legislature is one of the three branches of the government. This is law making body. हमें already एगुडा सब discuss करलुनी. In parliamentary democracies, legislature has unlimited power. It in states, presidential form of government prevails, oligarchy, dictatorship, legislature power, annual laws. ए सब जिनस होची legislature रा जो थे कि हमें कौन दीटा हाउस लोअर हाउस अपर हाउस तमरा लोकसभा राज्यसभा ए सब जिनस हमर लेजिस्लेचर अंडर रे ही जाउची. तापर एग्जीक्यूटिव कोन इट इज द सेकंड ब्रांच ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. द टर्म इज यूज्ड टू डेजिग्नेट ऑल दोज ऑफिसेस ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट whose business is to execute or put into effect the laws passed by the एनफोर्समेंट जो लॉ पास करा जाइथिबो से हिसाब रे जो डेजिग्नेट करबा होची विभिन्न गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर मानकर बा बिजनेस ऑफिसर एग्जीक्यूटिव मानकर काम. सो द फॉर्मुलेशन ऑफ पॉलिसी एंड इट्स implementation through the programs are also the work of the executive. The executive can be one person such as dictator or king or several persons. जनक द्वारा हे पारे किंबा बहुत जनक द्वारा हे पारे. Even when the latter form exists, the executive is still known by the person who is the chief, the king हुंतु, president हुंतु, prime minister हुंतु, chairman हुंतु. एटा हेरिडिटरी प्रिंसिपल ले हुए, इलेक्शन ले हुए, दीटा बेसिस रे करा जाउछ. अच्छा, जुडिशियरी कोन होला? Now the judiciary is the body which adjudicates the laws made by the legislature. The judiciary consists of a hierarchy of courts. Usually at the lower level there are two parallel system of courts. What is civic court, what is criminal court. Highest court is usually called as the Supreme Court. आमे एटा judiciary रे civic court, criminal court, highest court होची Supreme Court. तापरे एटा देखुछु courts at the lower level have original jurisdiction, while courts at the higher level are appellate jurisdiction. Appellated jurisdiction. Appellate माने hearing of appeals. तो hearing करा जाए of lower courts. The high courts and the Supreme Courts in India take up both original and appellate petitions. They have also the power of dealing with constitutional issues. So on democracies, the courts are free from the interference of other branches of the government. To ensure their freedom, judges once appointed cannot be removed except for a very grave offences. In totalitarian states, the judiciary is a wing of the executive as it's a legislature and will have to obey the command of the dictator. अच्छा, तापरे आछे bureaucracy. Bureaucracy कोन ना? This is an arm of executive. In modern times, the functions of the state have increased by leaps and bounds, and many of these functions like planning, programming have become the highly technical. These are the bureaucratic things. The civil service in modern state is recruited on modern lines. Officials are recruited through the competitive exams, usually by an impartial agency such as a Public Service Commission, which enables the appointment of a person maximally suited for the job. Elaborate rules are framed for guiding the officials in their work. The whole system has been highly professionalized. This system is for this only this system is called as bureaucracy, ruled by the bureaucrats. The bureaucrats are not just servants of the executive. In many cases, they perform the functions of the executive in their limited area. The ordinary citizen generally sees the bureaucrat as a person with enormous power. तो एति गला परे गवर्नमेंटल एजेंसीज गला परे अगेन विल फोकस ऑन नॉन गवर्नमेंटल एजेंसीज. नॉन गवर्नमेंटल एजेंसीज रे हमें तीनटा जिंस कथा डिस्कस करिथिलु. गोटेला पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, गोटेला इंटरेस्ट ग्रुप, आ गोटे होची प्रेस. तो फर्स्ट देखिबा पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज कोन ना? दीस आर द ऑर्गेनाइज्ड ग्रुप्स ऑफ सिटीजन्स हु होल्ड कॉमन व्यूज ऑन पब्लिक इश्यूज, like public issues upare common views rahithibo. A political party has been defined as an association organized in support of some principle or policy which by constitutional means it endeavors to make the determinant government. But determinant government kariba pai political parties are indispensable for the working of a democratic government. Democratic government सहित काम करिबा pai गोटे close link in between the people and government. The political parties रो ए सब काम रहिता. They are the agencies to maintain the continuous link between the people and the represent them to the government, or in opposition party हो किंबा government हो. So this is there are so many types of political parties जो गुडा सब वर्तमान अछि भी. तापरे किछिटा जिंसा में रे करबा. तापरे आसुची political parties play a most important part in the political system of the country. They socialize the people into political behavior upare, sorts of needs and aspirations upare, and also to form of government upare, party program upare, present the people's needs and demands before the government, and provide a link between people and their elected representatives. एटा रहिला पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज रो काम. तापर हम एतल देखिबा इंटरेस्ट ग्रुप. These are the associations or groups which have objectives different forms of political parties. Sometimes members of these groups may join political parties, but this is much more to further their particularistic interest then out of the interest groups may be based on economic interest जेकोसी गोटे इंटरेस्ट उपरे ता बेस करूथबो इकोनॉमिक हो एथनिक हो लिंग्विस्टिक हो रिलीजियस हो regional हो and any other consideration sometimes they could be convert themselves into a political party तापर बेले बेले भी देखा जाए से माने निजो कन्वर्ट कर दियंती political parties and win over some members of the government win करिवा पे ruling party होबा पे से again interest group ता political parties रे मिसी जाय and the pressure the government to concede their demand in this case the group could be considered as a pressure group when they pressurize the government to concede their demands this group is interest group is again called as the pressure group सेतळे सेमानकु pressure group बोली कहा जाय तापर आछि the press so interest group plays an important part in government decision making रे interest group रे अधिक काम रही छी अच्छा तापर हमें देखिबा प्रेस रो काम कोन now we have taken only the press from among the mass communication media and avoided the radio and television in our discussion because the latter are controlled by the government in almost all countries. So a free press is the strongest safeguard of democracy. In fact, a free press has become synonymous with real democracy. Real democracy केतेबेले संभव होबो जेतेबेले free press हेई परिबा. The press enables the citizens to know what is really happening in the country, especially what the government does or does not. Government कौन करूची कौन न करूची से सब जिंस real press टा ही हम पाखरे आनके पहुंचाए and shows its support and opposition to the next election. For a political party, the press is a sure medium for propagating their programs. प्रचार करिबा तांकर प्रोग्राम को होची प्रेस रे सेतबेले भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी रो एटा कामरे आसे since the press itself may have political learning each newspaper may become partisan but since all parties have the freedom to have their own media of communication and the disadvantages of this will be to be a great extent neutralized. In any case, the citizen would be best informed about the political developments, political processes in the state through the press and other mass media like TV, radio, internet आ माध्यम रे भी हमें बहुत जुदा जिंस फोकस कर अच्छा एटा गले तापरे तमर आसुची what is democracy and state एठी democracy रो काम कोन democracy can be safeguarded by vigilant citizenship strong military power strong executive and in a democracy citizens should have the knowledge about their rights duties both rights and duties सब जंक विषय रे हमें सचेतन हेथिबा दरकार आउ गोटे होची कोन ना we are living in a democratic state and it is necessary to know what democracy brings us democracy हम पई कोड आडुची ताकू भी हमें जानिबा निहाती दरकार many of us have a tendency to take democracy for granted we will take the democracy as granted and very few of us realize that democracy is a form of government whose continuance can be guaranteed only by the vigilant citizenship जदि तमे proper मात्रा रे democracy को जानिया को चाहुचो you should be a vigilant citizen then only you know the proper democratic pattern democracy or you know the value of democracy otherwise you will be a passive democratic citizen democracy is most vulnerable to ills like rule by the mob dictatorship rule by one person in either case rule by the माने कोन mob हो किबा rule by the one person हो democracy will replace these things it is very necessary that these forms of rule can be avoided in democracy enlightenment has been in several attributes These are the participation in we should citizens should participate in political process, especially exercise their voting rights, tolerance, opposition rules and regulations kona, knowledge about one's own rights and duties, honest exercise of rights and performance of duties. This should be the civic responsibilities of a democracy. Democracy ideally is a government of people. ଆମେ ଜାଣିଛୁ କଣ democracy ହଉଛି କଣ government of the people, by the people and for the people. All people in a democracy have to realize that the rule of the game of democracy have to be honestly observed, not only to achieve the goal but also to keep the goal going. ଆମେ ଏ ଜିନିଷଟାକୁ ଚାଲୁ ରଖିବା ପାଇଁ we know the real value of democracy, we know the real ethics of democracy. We should be a participate citizen in a democratic form of government. Then only we know the things. ଦେଖ ଆଉ ଏଠି ଆଉ କିଛି ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି ଯେତେବେଳେ the Indian Constitution contains a chapter of fundamental rights. बहुत गुड़ा fundamental rights अच्छी हमारा से fundamental rights है fundamental duties है. We should be very much cautious or careful about these things. हमें ये सब जिनिस ऊपर बेसी जानिबा दरकार. We should be known about the real facts of democracy. अच्छा एठी हमें जानिबा fundamental rights कौन ना fundamental rights होची these are the certain rights guaranteed by the state to its citizens and given in the constitution. ए rights टा state द्वारा करा जाय थाए कहा को ना लोक मानु and given to the constitution. These include the civil liberties like freedom of expression, freedom of speech, freedom of religion, equality before law. ए सब जिनिस होची these are the fundamental rights. Then what is nationalism? The nationalism होची growth of a feeling of oneness among the people. लोक माने समझते निजो को एगोटिए बोली भाबिबा oneness among the people based on some common attributes to contribute the nationhood or nationality. This could include religion, economics, politics, language, culture and so on. ए सब जिनिस को बाद दे कि बा सब जिनिस को सांगरे नै कि we should feel the sense of nationalism and we should have the common attributes to contribute towards our nationality. Then aschi political pluralism. Political pluralism कौन? It is a thought of group of thinkers. Political pluralism is a thought of group of thinkers who propagate जे के प्रचार करते that there are multiple social organizations in a society. बहुत प्रकार social organization अच्छी society रे and the state is one of them. State होची ता भितर गोटिए that is known as the political pluralism. Sovereignty कौन ना the supreme power of the state. हमें कहलु supreme power of the state over the individual and organism. लोक ऊपर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऊपर सुप्रीम पावर टा को हमें कौन कहूछु सोवरेनिटी. अच्छा एतिकी जिंस जनरली जान ड्यूटी कहले कौन बुझु छु हमें ना ड्यूटी टू ओबे द लॉ, पेइंग द टैक्स, लॉयल्टी टू द स्टेट, एक्सरसाइजिंग वोटिंग राइट्स, टॉलरेंस ऑफ द ऑपोजिशन, परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ ड्यूटीज and avoiding the unconstitutional methods to achieve our goal. That is the duty of the citizens. आउ कोन आउ हला कोन तमर जो ड्यूटी और राइट्स जानला पर हमें आउ गोटे जिंस कोन एट देखुछु जे we have some certain kinds of political methods, systems, voting rights. We have different patterns of it. जेमति कि executive body, legislature, judiciary, bureaucracy, all are the major governmental organizations of the state. Besides this there are several non governmental organization भी रही जोडे काम करूची political party हैला, interest group हैला, press हैला, एमानंकर काम भी कोन स्टेट रे एमानंकर भी बहुत गुडे माने various patterns of responsibilities भी रही छी. The state is an abstraction while the government is abstract while government is concrete. The state is supreme. State होची supreme but government is the element of the state. Government होची state रो उटे उपादान बोली कहा जाउची. The state have similar attributes but the types of governments vary. State रो attribute ता सब बेले समान एका प्रकार किंतु गवर्नमेंट रो टाइप्स टा वेरी करूछ काहे कि ना आज गोटे इलेक्टोरल प्रोसेस रे 5 इयर्स ताई गोटे गवर्नमेंट हमें चूज करलो पुणी अगेन आ गोटे आसी पारे कि सेटा रही पारे सो एटा वेरी करिवो द स्टेट इज परमानेंट स्टेट टा परमानेंट बट द गवर्नमेंट कैन चेंज गवर्नमेंट टा बारंबार परिवर्तनशील अथॉरिटी ऑफ द स्टेट इज अनलिमिटेड स्टेट रो अथॉरिटी टा सब बेले अनलिमिटेड बट दैट द गवर्नमेंट रो अथॉरिटी टा होची कोन लिमिटेड बुझिला दिस इज स्टेट एंड गवर्नमेंट रो डिफरेंसेस जदि हम जानिबा ए जिंस को नउची and state ame kaha ko कहलु which have a definite population territory government and sovereignty ए चारिटा जिंस रहिले गोटे स्टेट रो क्राइटेरिया को देखौची पर्टिकुलर फॉर्म ऑफ पॉपुलेशन रहिबो डेफिनेट जियोग्राफिकल टेरिटोरी रहिबो आ गवर्नमेंट रहिबो एंड सोवरेनिटी पावर बा रूल भी रहिबो this is the state thing so government is the essential element of a state government we ame baad dei ki state kari pariba nahi government hochi ote state ro gote upadana state as the day to day function of the state is carried out by whom carried out by government through the terms of government and the state are used interchangeably or we can say that speak of there are various differences जोटा कि हमें जानलो स्टेट होची सुप्रीम गवर्नमेंट होची तार एलिमेंट स्टेट हला परमानेंट गवर्नमेंट इज नॉट परमानेंट अथॉरिटी ऑफ द स्टेट इज अनलिमिटेड बट द अथॉरिटी ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट इज लिमिटेड द स्टेट हैव कॉमन एट्रीब्यूट्स व्हाइल द टाइप्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट इज varied so political pluralists can claim that the state to be one of the associations of the many associations of the society but the state stands to be a distinctive organization because of the sovereign power nationalism it is the growth of a feeling of oneness among the people based on the same attributes of consciousness based on the same attributes to contribute to nationality the nation is the people's consciousness of unity unity nations लोकंकर unity को नेकी nationalism टा create होची so it is state is a distinguishing social organization state has been defined as a community of persons more or less the number of permanently occupying a definite part of territory it is independent of external control state रे एते जिंस गुडा अछि and possesses an organized government to which the majority of citizens remain obedient citizens should follow the state rules political scientists however recognize the following essential properties of the state like population territory government sovereignty sovereignty itself confers the ultimate power of the state एतिकी जिंस होची तमरा हमें जानिलु कणा स्टेट गवर्नमेंट पॉलिटिकल प्रोसेस जुडिशियरी लेजिटिमेसी डेमोक्रेसी डेमोक्रेसी एंड इंडिविजुअल स्टेट एंड गवर्नमेंट ये सब जिंस होची तमरा और दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर पॉलिटिकल प्रोसेसेस एतिकी जिंस हमें जानु छु तमरा पॉलिटिकल प्रोसेसेस रा हमें इंक्लूड करू छु अच्छा my dear students if you have any doubts you can ask the questions hello are you all there or not समस्त अच्छा एठी
Yes, ma'am.
कहार के डाउट अछि कैन आस्क द क्वेश्चन तो पॉलिटिकल प्रोसेसेस को जिन सोडा कहला बुझियला पॉलिटिकल प्रोसेसेस तने तीनटा एंगल लु देखिलु गोटे स्टेटलेस सोसाइटी रे केमती मॉडर्न स्टेट रे केमिति ट्रेडिशनल सोसाइटी रे कोन प्री मॉडर्न रे कोन मॉडर्न ने कोन मॉडर्न ने अगेन हमें तमर गवर्नमेंटल एजेंसी को गुडा नॉन गवर्नमेंटल एजेंसी को गुडा स्टेट कोन तार पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम केमती तार गवर्नमेंट कोन लेजिस्लेचर काम कोन जुडिशियरी काम कोन डेमोक्रेटिक फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट कोन all about a political processes टा कहा कोति बुद्धि परते तो जानी हला जिंस रो बुद्धि परलो तो ना जदी कोन
गोटे कहतिले क्लान सेटा कोन
क्लान होत गोटे ट्राइबल ग्रुप रो स्मॉल टेरिटरी पार्ट को हमें कहू क्लान बुझिलो स्मॉल टेरिटोरियल पार्ट छोट छोट विभक्तिकरण कर दे ट्राइबल ग्रुप ताको हमें क्लान बोली हम कहू आउ किछि अछि ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ଆଜି in my today's class I will not much more focused on Odia terms terminology. So I know most of you appear in Odia, but in political processes it's quite difficult to use the Odia terms, and it's very much easier if you go through your Odia material. तमर Odia fundamental जोड़ा दिया है ताको देखिए ଟିକେ political processes जिनसे गुड़ाको analysis ହେଲା otherwise जो जिनस गुड़ा मु कहली ताको अगेन सब टर्मिनोलॉजी रो ओडिया टाको एते करि पारि हमर सेथिरे के जानि आथबो ताले तमे निजे टिके पढि कि एटा पढिले ही जानि पारि ହେଲା
Yes, ma'am.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Thank you, ma'am.
so is it माने
मैडम
बुझी पारला सब जन यस
हेलो
यस
मैडम
हां सुबुची को हेलो 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 हेलो
हेलो
हेलो हाँ सुबुची कुह हेलो हेलो
ହ୍ୟାଲୋ ମ୍ୟାମ୍
हाँ कुह कुह
ଏଇ କ୍ଲାସଟା ଆଉ ଥରେ ନେଇ ହବନି
ଆଉ
हेलो
ଥରେ
मैडम
ମାନେ ହଁ
ଏଇଟା
କୁହ
ଟିକେ ମାନେ ଏଇ ସବଜେକ୍ଟଟା ମାନେ ଟିକେ ଟେନସନ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ତ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ଏଇଟା
ଏଇ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ନା ଏଇ ୟୁନିଟ କୋଉଟା
ମାନେ
କହୁଛ ମତେ
ଏଇ ୟୁନିଟଟା ଏଇଟା ମାନେ କଣ ରାଜନୀତି ଉପରେ ଟିକେ ଟେନସନ ଜିନିଷ ନା ସେଇଟାକୁ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ଲାସରେ
ଶୁଣ ତମେ ଯଦି ମୁଁ ତମକୁ ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ କ୍ଲାସରେ କହିଥିଲି ତମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଟିକେ ତମ ଷ୍ଟଡି ମ୍ୟାଟେରିଆଲ ଟାକୁ ଦେଖିକି ଆସିଲେ କଣ ହବ ନା ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ କହିବି ତମେ ଇଜିଲି କ୍ୟାଚ୍ କରିପାରିବ ଅଦରୱାଇଜ ଇନ୍ ମାଇ ୱାନ୍ କ୍ଲାସ ଆଇ ୱିଲ୍ ନଟ୍ ଏବୁଲ ଟୁ ପୁଟ୍ ୟୁ ଅଲ୍ ଦୋଜ ଥିଙ୍ଗସ୍ ସବୁ ଯାକ ଜିନିଷଟାକୁ ପଢେଇବାଟା ଇଟ୍ସ ନଟ୍ ପସିବଲ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଇଏରେ ବି ସରିବନି ଏଟା ସୋ ତମେ ତାକୁ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଲୁକ୍ ଓଭର କରିଦେଇଥିବ ଘରେ ମୁଁ କହିଲା ବେଳେ ଇଜିଅର ଫର ବୋଥ ଅଫ୍ ଅସ୍ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ କି ଇଜି ହବ ସୋ
ନା ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ସେ ଓଡିଆରେ ଆମେ ଇଂଲିଶ ଟର୍ମ ବି ମାନେ ମୁଁ ଲେଖିଦେଇଛି ଅଲରେଡି ଇଂଲିଶ ବୁକ୍ ରୁ ମାନେ
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ଡାଉନଲୋଡ କରିକି ଓଡିଆରେ ଲେଖିଦେଇଛି ସେଇଟା କିଛି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହଉନି ମୁଁ ଆକୁ ତାକୁ ଦେଖିକି ମାନେ ବୁଝି ନଉଛି କିନ୍ତୁ
ୟେସ୍
ଏଇ ଜିନିଷଟା ହଉଛି ମାନେ ବହୁତ କ୍ରିଟିକାଲ ରାଜନୀତି ସେମିତିରେ ବି ତ କ୍ରିଟିକାଲ
ନାଇଁ
ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ
ଏଇଟା
ଗୋଟେ କ୍ଲାସ
ବହୁତ ଇଜି ଶୁଣ ବହୁତ ଇଜି କିଛି କଷ୍ଟ ନାହିଁ ଯେହେତୁ ଓଡିଆ ଟର୍ମିନୋଲୋଜି ତମେ ଯୋଉ ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡା କହୁଛ ସେଟା ତମେ ଓଡିଆ ବୁକ୍ ରୁ ଟିକେ ଦେଖିବ କିନ୍ତୁ ଏ ପଲିଟିକାଲ ପ୍ରୋସେସ ତମେ ଦେଖ ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ଜିନିଷ ଡେଲି ତମେ ଫିଲ୍ କରୁଛ ସେଇ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ତ ଏଇଟା ତ ଭଲ ଜିନିଷଟା ମାନେ ଇଭିନ ଏଇଟା ତମର ଆଗକୁ ଯାଇବି ବହୁତ କାମରେ ଆସିବ ତମର ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ଅର୍ଗାନାଇଜେସନ କାହାକୁ ହୋଲ୍ଡ କରୁଛି ନନ୍ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ଅର୍ଗାନାଇଜେସନ କଣ ଆମର ଏକ୍ଜିକ୍ୟୁଟିଭ ର କାମ କଣ ଲେଜିସ୍ଲେଚର କାମ କଣ ଜୁଡିସିଆରି କଣ ବ୍ୟୁରୋକ୍ରାସି ଏଇଟା ତ ଆମର ଡେ ଟୁ ଡେ ଡେଲି ଲାଇଫରେ ଆମେ ଏଇ ଜିନିଷଟା ଜାଣିବା କଥା ଏଇଟା ତ ବହୁତ ଭାଲୁଏବଲ ଇନଫର୍ମେଟିଭ ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡା ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ଏଇଟା ବୋରିଂ ନୁହେଁ
ଏଇଟା ତ
ଅଦର
ମାନେ ଆମ ସହିତ ପୁରା ଜଡିତ ଯେ କିନ୍ତୁ
ହଁ
ଏଇଟାକୁ ବୁଝିବା ବହୁତ କଷ୍ଟ ମାନେ
ଜମା ଜମା
ଡର
ଜମା
ଟେନସନ ନାହିଁ
ଜମା କଷ୍ଟ ହବନି ଯଦି ତମେ ମାନେ ପଢିବ ଯଦି ନ ପଢିବ କଷ୍ଟ ଲାଗିବ ହେଲା ତ ଟିକେ ମ୍ୟାଟେରିଆଲ ଗୁଡା ଦେଖିଲେ ହିଁ ବହୁତ ଇଜିଅର ହବ ତ ଜମା କଷ୍ଟ ନୁହେଁ କୌଣସି ପାଠ କଷ୍ଟ ନୁହେଁ ହେଲେ ଯୋଉଟା ତମେ ବାରମ୍ବାର ପଢିଲେ ହିଁ ସେ ଜିନିଷ ସହଜ ହୁଏ
ଆଜି ପୁରା
କିନ୍ତୁ
ଯେତିକି ୟୁନିଟ ମାନେ କୌଣସିଟାରେ ଏତେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଅଛି ଏଇଟା ଯେତେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହଉଛି ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ କହୁଥିଲି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ଲାସ ନେଇବାକୁ
ଓନ୍ଲି
ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ମୁଁ
ଓନ୍ଲି
ଗୋଟେ
ଇନ୍
ଜିନିଷ କହିବି ସିନେମା
ୟେସ୍ ସାର୍
ଦେଖୁଛ ନା
କୁହନ୍ତୁ
ପିଲେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଭି ଦେଖୁଛ ଗୋଟେ ମୁଭି ତ ବହୁତ ମଜା ଲାଗୁଛି ମୁଭିଟା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କଷ୍ଟ ଲାଗୁଛି
ଠିକ କହିଲେ ସାର୍
ଯେମିତି ମୁଭି ଦେଖିବାଟା କଷ୍ଟ ଲାଗୁନି ପାଠଟା ପଢିଲେ କଷ୍ଟ ଲାଗିବନି ନୋ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ
ନାଇଁ
ଇଜ
ସାର୍
ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟ
ଅନ୍ୟ ସବୁ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ଟା ମାନେ ମ୍ୟାମ ଯାହା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଆରାମ ସେ ବୁଝେଇ ହଉଛି ଏତେ କଷ୍ଟ ବି ଲାଗୁନି ଯେ ମାନେ ତାକୁ ଆମେ ମାନେ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ବି ମାନେ ପଢିନୁ କଣ ପଢା ପରେ ଆମେ ଏଇଟା ଇଗ୍ନୋର କରୁଛୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଇୟରରେ ବି ଏଇ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ଗୁଡା ନଥିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ମ୍ୟାମ ଏମିତି ସେ ବୁଝେଇଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ମାନେ କୋଉଟା ମାନେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଟାଇମ ମତେ ବି ପଢିବାକୁ ପଡିନି ଏକାଥରେ ମାନେ ଅଲରେଡି ହେଇସାରିଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା ଟିକେ ମାନେ ସ୍କୁଲ ଟାଇମରୁ ବି ମତେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଥିଲା ତ ସେଇଟାରେ
ସାର୍
ମତେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହଉଛି
ମେଜର ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହଉଛି ତାକୁ ଓଡିଆ ଓଡିଆରେ ପଲିଟିକାଲ ପ୍ରୋସେସ ର ଓଡିଆ ଟର୍ମିନୋଲୋଜି ଗୁଡା ଏତେ ଆକ୍ୱେଣ୍ଟେଡ ହେଇ କହିହବନି ତମେ ଯଦି ସେ ଜିନିଷଟା ପଢିବ ହିଁ ଜାଣିବ ବୁଝିପାରିଲ ମୁଁ କହିଲା ବେଳେ
ଓଡିଆ
ବହୁତ
ଇଂଲିଶ ମ୍ୟାମ ଆଉ ନାହିଁ ଓଡିଆ ଇଂଲିଶ ଟା ମୁଁ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଦିନ ହିଁ କହିଥିଲି କାରଣ ସେତେବେଳେ ମୋ ପାଇଁ ପୁରା ନୂଆ ଥିଲା ତ ସେଟାକୁ ମୁଁ
ହଁ
ତାର ସଲ୍ୟୁସନ ବାହାର କରିଦେଇକି ଇଂଲିଶ ଓଡିଆ ସବୁ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ଥୋଇକି ହିଁ ମୁଁ କ୍ଲାସ କରୁଛି ତା ମାନେ ସେଟା ମୋ ଉପରେ କିଛି ନାହିଁ
ତାହେଲେ ତ ବହୁତ ଭଲ କଥା ତାହେଲେ ତ ବହୁତ ଭଲ କଥା ତମକୁ ଇଜିଅର ହବା କଥା ଜିନିଷ ତମକୁ କାଇଁ କଷ୍ଟ ଲାଗୁଛି କାହିଁକିନା ତମେ ସଲ୍ଭ ହେଇପାରୁନ ଜାଣିପାରୁନ ତମକୁ
ଏଇଟା ଏଇ ରାଜନୀତି ଟା କଷ୍ଟ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
ହଉଛି
starting रो paper ଟା ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ କହୁଥିଲି। starting ରୁ
ଫର୍ମ ପାଇଁ ଆଉ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ କିଛି ନାହିଁ।
ଆଚ୍ଛା ହଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଆଉ ଥରେ ଦେଖ ଯୋଉଟା ଡାଉଟ୍ ହବ ୟୁ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ଆସ୍କ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ ତମେ ମତେ ପଚାରି ପାରିବ ମୁଁ ବି ମ୍ୟାଟେରିଆଲ ଯଦି କିଛି ହେଲ୍ପ କରିପାରିବି ଆଜ୍ଞା ତମ ସିଓର ହେଲ୍ପ ହେଲା
ହଉ ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ।
ହଉ
Okay, thank you very much, ma'am. I think no doubt, no question for the learners. Thank you for today's session. Tomorrow same
Thank
time
you,
we will
sir.
join. Thank you, ma'am.